yesterday, and we died on easy.
Oh wow. Okay. All right.
Guys, don't judge us right now.
What's the password?
12,
12?
12, 12.
12, 12. Okay.
I didn't know if it had to be like 4 numbers or
It's
what.
4 numbers. Yes. Yes. It's 4.
No, you can have it like 2 numbers or 3.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Saving the best for last, Red. I know, right?
Oh,
How have you been, Red?
Speaking of cupcakes, I wonder if there's like a cotton candy flavor.
Oh, cotton candy.
It's 2 a.m. where you are. It's 2 a.m. where you are, Cheer. You're eating candy at 2 a.m. Who does that? Who does that? It's 2 a.m.
Hey, well, I've been up for like.
No!
What did you do?
You know that thing with the thing that's, you know, circle is X and X is circle. Yeah.
Yes, because it's the Japanese.
Yeah, she pressed X.
So you know, I accidentally pressed X and then I went to move over, but my controller was like, "Nah, I'm not gonna work." And then I pressed circle.
So you're creating a new one again?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna have
You still with us?
Who, me? I'm here.
No. How do you talk? Is he
Right, you
still
guys are
alive?
going.
I'm logging in now.
hey.
I'm almost there.
Alright, you guys are good. I wish they changed it to where, you know, maybe X is X and O is O. But, fuck.
He's at 12, 12. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. She made a new. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Sad.
I was too lazy to create. Today I was too lazy to create a new thumbnail, so I found one of my old ones. But it said Outbreak file too. I didn't feel like changing it.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
I'm in.
I'm in too. So that's 3 of us.
Alright. This time I'm not gonna press X.
You better.
Oh.
Or I'm out of here. No, I'm kidding.
Alright. I don't know who's all in here because it's not showing me.
It says 4 out of 4. Yes, we're in. You can start the game.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Did that person say the F word? That's very naughty. I know, right? Yes, that person said the F word. I know. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Good
Yeah,
thing I'm
vlog
not getting
stream.
anything from Santa this year.
Oh yeah. Vlog streams are like kids friendly, so we should watch out.
Oh, did you put on friendly fire? No.
No.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I
No,
never do that.
That's scary. Oh, so this is me having a drink after a day's work at the bar. And
I can't skip the cutscene.
me and Ari
I'm
talk.
skipping the
Me and Ari talk. Our buddies. Apparently, we're sitting next to each other. I think, whilst having a drink. I'm not
Wait,
so
are
sure.
we're skipping the cutscenes?
You want to skip the cutscenes?
Come on, let's leave the cutscene just for the benefit of everyone watching. You know, just
I know.
just the first time.
Yeah, we should let them.
It seems like I'm
Look at that
having Jack
Yoko.
and Coke, or maybe rum and Coke. But there's a mouse.
wait.
There's a mouse in the bar. This is a very clean bar.
Yeah, while this is the cutscene playing.
Aren't you eating
I really like the
anything?
stream.
I'm having audio issues.
Where's your mind at?
What?
And there's a very drunk customer.
Oh, I never noticed that its character has a different intro.
You see, that's why we're watching it.
Yeah, you know, I'm.
What a weird customer.
I want to play as this waiter one day. I want to mod the game and play as the waiter. Bob.
He's unconscious. Are you
Oh,
all
hey, Card Veronica. Welcome to the stream.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that dinner looks so good.
I always found weird that flash part of his face, you know, against the glass. Do you guys notice that? I keep looking at that every single time.
Oh.
Wait, so you see what?
When
I
the,
don't know, I never noticed it.
When the zombie puts his face against against the glass and then he slides his face a bit, you get to see like a piece of flesh, a piece of his face flesh, moving around. I can't help but looking at that. All right, here we go. I'm getting things ready. I'm grabbing the key. Things are happening. I got the
So
key. I'm
where is
unlocking the door.
Do we need Hey, Sakura! Vodka!
Sakura! Do you want to join us later?
Oh yeah, you want to join?
I have a question
Okay.
now. If I pick up the special item, will you guys get it?
No, I don't know. I don't know if it counts towards. Oh, you're at work. Wah, wah. I don't know if it
also
counts.
see that gun that you said about it in the bathroom here.
Oh no, I think it's in the... I'm not sure why, but it's lagging for me.
Ari, talk. Pick up that herb. That's for you.
Alright.
Yeah, there's a gun in the men's bathroom.
Come
That's
on.
the other one.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We need to we need to barricade the door now.
No, rip. I'm in the bathroom.
Aye, come on. We need to hurry.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for her.
We need to move it, move it. There we go. You see, that's why we need to move it, move it.
Oh no, I don't know why, but every time I go to the barrel, it just...
Wait, was that Irving or whatever his name is from the police station?
No,
There was
no.
like one guy that looked like.
Well, I mean,
Oh,
it's a
you
Resident
mean
Evil
Melvin?
game. Many zombies look the same, so.
It's so weird how they like put like a Pacific one.
All right, I'm grabbing the
Okay.
nail gun. I'm gonna start.
Okay. No, no, no.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I'm coming.
I'm coming up the stairs.
Okay, yeah, I'm waiting for
I
her.
made sure to get some herbs for you guys.
Alright.
If you need
Oh,
healing, let me know.
Did the game die for me?
Shouldn't
Where's
have.
everyone?
What just happened? Oh, there we go. Took forever.
Oh. You just
okay, let's go. Let's go.
blended right there.
Yeah, it took forever to pick it up. I don't know what happened. Anyway, all right. Can I barricade the door? Can somebody?
Well, I'm on the inside now, yeah.
Yeah, I need to barricade the door, and then we need to start taking this door down as well.
You
Yeah,
guys are
I'm out of
good.
my way. Yeah, I'm out of my way.
Come on, we're getting chased by zombies.
I have the key, though.
If you get the key, it's better, but. Oh, that's good. All right. All right, I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
You guys are slowpokes. I need to be fast.
Yeah, where are they?
This is on easy mode. We're gonna play it again on normal now afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah,
I can't figure out my
Okay.
audio. Like, I can hear you guys through my headset, but the game is not. I don't know why my game is muted. But it's coming through my monitor. It's really weird.
Yeah, it took me a while to figure the whole thing out because even I have two monitors, and one of the monitors runs Outbreak. It took me a while to figure out how to set up the audio because I had that same issue as well.
Were there any zombies up the stairs? Okay.
Yes, there's zombies everywhere
no.
now.
That's fine.
no. There's no zombies the stairs.
Up in the
This was
liquor
just-
room.
So where are you now? Everyone?
I'm entering
Yeah.
the liquor room.
Yeah, okay. Here we are.
I just got the forklift key.
Oh, crap. Okay, cheer, David.
Oh, everybody's here. Nice. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Get out of my way. Yeah, that's so weird. Usually just walks through him.
I want to get the special item. Is there like 4 special items in a place?
I have no idea. I never bothered with the items, to be honest with you.
Well, I got
Okay.
2 of them, so.
The forklift is going up. Everybody's going up.
Okay.
I'm going up.
That's wrong.
Help me, please!
Yeah,
Well,
like,
you know what?
alright, everyone can go
Good.
past me. I think you can walk through me, it'll be fine. I have to work on my audio.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Better
wait,
be
you're
careful.
all there. Jeez.
Look at
You-
Mark's
I
outfit.
think-
Mark the golfer.
Yeah, it's casual Friday.
Oh, dang.
I
Wait,
forgot to
it's-
share the stream. I just
Tuesday.
realized.
Yeah.
Oh, I liked all your streams. So they're already in Twitter.
Yeah. Let me see if I can share it real quick.
And I don't think I have time to drink my coffee.
All right. Oh, hello. Sweet, sweet healage.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take this key.
Yeah, we need that key because it gives us some goodies.
How did they have it? Hey, Nikki.
Let's
welcome to
go.
the stream.
And let's see if I can share.
Oh,
it.
Nick is here.
Nick is here. That's all that matters. That Nikki's here. I don't even need to share the stream now that Nikki's here. Oh. hold on, hold on. There's crows everywhere. Go after cheer. Go after cheer. Go after cheer.
What here?
Ah, zombie! Zombie! All right, quickly, quickly now. Oh no, no, don't turn around.
Nope, 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 nope.
Okay, there's a zombie here. I'm just gonna make a jump for it. Actually, I'm safe. I think I'm safe here.
Wait. Where is everyone?
I'm just gonna make the jump.
Yeah, we're coming. Got caught up with those crows.
Oh, I was in the room.
Due to the riots in progress, this area will be closed off soon.
I wonder how close this is to RPD.
Please proceed to this checkpoint immediately. If you do not leave the area in time, we cannot.
All right, I finally,
Safety.
shared the stream. Okay, back to chat. Hello, Nikki. Hello, Julian. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome.
Wait, Mano, did you share stream on Discord?
I gotta redo it. Hold on. No.
On your Discord.
Uh-oh. Help me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, this doesn't look good. Come on.
I
Quickly.
think I need a little help.
Quickly. 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 No!
You fell?
I'm just bleeding. Wait, hold on. Somebody like spot me real quick.
Oh, man. My bad. It's my bad. No.
I'm just bleeding, that's all.
I was just jumping from one side to the other. As soon as I was hanging, crow attacked me and I just fell off. That's it. Rip.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That was just brutal. No. It's like the easiest part, and the crow's like trollolololo.
Yeah, I know.
Man, now I'm just gonna stare at the screen for a while. Nikki's like, I have so many jokes for that comment. I'm just bleeding. Oh, you. Oh man.
I'm pressing every button. Weak.
I'm
Thank
just
you.
gonna watch someone else's stream. See what you guys are doing. I mean, you guys are doomed that I'm not there now. Now that I'm not there, you guys are doomed. You just need someone who's.
Oh, God. No, I'm not gonna fall. I'm not gonna fall.
Oh, look,
Okay.
we're both helping you.
Thank
Vloggy,
you.
you can help with my audio issue.
How do I don't even know. I mean, all right. So first of all, you're running with two. You're doing the whole two monitor thing, yes?
Hey, do the jokes.
Yeah, I have dual monitors.
So I think I don't want to touch mine up because I don't want to mess mine up. But let's see. If I look at audio, all right.
Yes.
Let's see. You're supposed to make all the audio come out of the headphones. I mean, that's what I did. From
Just do it, Nikki. Just do it.
come on, Nikki, do it now. Do it now. So if you go on me personally, if I open the sound preferences, and it says speakers, Turtle Beach. So that gave priority because now I have two outputs. 2 or 3? Well, technically 3 outputs of sounds.
Yeah, I gotta check
I have the laptop, I have the TV, and I have my headphones. But I gave priority all to my headphones. So all the audio comes out, I think. That's how I did it. But I remember having this issue back in the day, in the very beginning.
It's so weird because everything says it's coming through my speakers, and obviously it's not.
Your headphones, you mean?
Yeah, I mean, I can hear you guys through my headphones, but the game comes through my monitor for some reason.
Let me just check.
And it's not, and the game audio is not picking on OBS.
Oh yeah, he's here with us.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is, Nikki. That's right. Let me see. Let me see if I have some sort of preferences when it comes to. So, audio plugin settings.
Defaulted.
Wait,
That's amazing.
click on your sound. Let's click your sound, and then go to the sound settings, the playback.
Yep, it's on my speakers. Yeah, it says speakers or my headphones, whatever.
They both on your speakers.
Yeah, I don't understand, but Thank you guys. So.
Okay, let's go. I think we're done with this.
Are you guys still alive? I'm trying to see if I can
Yeah.
find someone's stream.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
just
still alive.
bleeding.
I'll just, help you out.
Yeah, little Yoko is like.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Mark across.
All right. What can you do? Yeah, I'll watch you guys. I guess.
Yeah, I think. Oh. Oh, you just. You should heal up, Talk.
Oh, I ran out of bullets.
No, I said you should heal up.
I'm just bleeding, so I have to wait.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna push
There
this
it
car.
is.
We're almost got to where we died yesterday.
I know. Shh. Oh, I didn't pick up the lighter either.
Oh, no, it is. There's a lighter over there.
Oh. Okay.
Uh,
I'm not sure if I'm
what?
pushing the.
I'm
okay.
bleeding again?
You
Oh, this
need
one.
any herbs, guys?
I have a full herb heal on me.
Yeah, I got a mixer with me. But I
Okay.
think I'm out of bullets.
My stream is so boring right now.
The misadventures of RAT, yeah.
Oh, sing sad music. Love will touch a one-time blah blah blah. What? Whatever you have, Vloggy was the first player to
Take
die.
the safety. Oh, no,
Yeah.
never mind. I got
I was just
Come
hanging
back.
in there,
I need
and the
that
crow trolled me.
I don't have any weapons now.
Oh, you want to pick that up?
Help me, please! Help me! Help me!
Help me, please! They just
Mom!
totally ignored me.
What?
Whoa. Oh, hey, Pro Crazy. Welcome to the stream.
Oh my god, I hate the teleporting zombies. It's
Oh,
killing
yeah.
me. I just threw the pipe at the wall.
No, I just laughed at the funny sound.
Oh, that's a zombie.
Okay.
Is Cheer, are you... Everyone keeps bleeding, it's weird.
Yeah, I'm just bleeding. I'm okay. I'm just bleeding.
I was bleeding twice. It's weird.
Oh. I think I'm out of bullets.
Yeah, I'm out. I think I'm out. I think I might have some, actually. Might.
Look at you guys go.
Oh, no. I just noticed my chat. That's why Pro Crazy. I'm sorry. I was watching everybody else's stream.
Oh no! Hey, I didn't notice you, Pro Crazy. I did say hi to you.
Oh, I want to see
That's
if you
not
guys
bad.
are gonna handle this.
Oh yeah, we got this.
I'm gonna run.
Yeah, you run. Both of you run. Yeah,
This is legit where we died.
Yeah, you both run. And open the valve. Open the writer.
Oh, I almost X'd out my whole entire emulator.
Hey, Nikki.
You buy a bet on Vloggy surviving. I died already, Kurt. I died already. I'm already out of the game. Womp
Oh, he
womp.
died.
Bye.
Does someone have the lighter? I don't... Or...
I
Oh yeah,
don't.
it's no, it's with the police officer. I'm
I'll
on
get
it.
it. I got it, I think.
I'll turn
don't
the
know.
veil.
Okay, I'm just gonna run.
Yeah, you go.
I'm just gonna,
I don't know
around.
if you should depend on me, but...
Don't depend on me.
And it was a very unfair death, Kurt. Actually, I mean,
Well,
I
hey,
was playing very
It's
well.
not,
We'll give Vloggy the benefit of the doubt.
Oh man, and
Oh,
here
I
I am
have
all
6
prepared.
bullets left.
Here I am all prepared to survive it on hard.
well, let's have
Alright.
like
Are we all
You guys better hurry up.
Alright.
yeah, I'm next to you.
Oh, I went down the slope.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
I was about to say, I was just about to get attacked by zombies.
yeah, same here. Nice save, Talk.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can get really bad really quick. If you hesitate.
Oh yeah, I was almost zombie sandwich.
Hey, Wanderer. Hey. Alright,
Hey,
let's
Wanderer.
go.
Yeah. I'm already in.
Uh-oh. What am I doing? Okay, there we go.
What about that game, Raid? Is it good, Undertale? I checked it out. It had really good reviews. I want to check it out too.
Oh yeah, Undertale is fun.
It is? It says,
Oh, yeah,
Red
it's
says
fun.
it made him rage.
Nah, I don't really care for Undertale. I think that's something I would personally say.
I don't know. I mean, usually I don't, but people have been recommending it, and I checked the reviews, and I'm like, wow, it seems like it's a
Oh.
very good game. I don't know.
Wait, if you want a game that makes you rage, there's a game on Steam called Get Over It.
Oh
You
no,
should
but
try that.
Oh, yeah.
that's not really. I don't even consider that as a game, really. I mean, it's just, you know, an app. I don't even think
Yeah.
of it as an actual game. You know, Cuphead is a game. You know, that makes you rage. That is a game. But I mean, I don't know.
I'm just coming down here to get some herbs because I have nothing. I have no weapons
Oh,
or
you guys,
herbs.
here, come here.
Okay, according to Red,
I got a whole supply of stuff for everybody. First
Well,
aid.
You're holding? What's that?
Oh no. I got
Well,
one first aid and 3 herbs. If
I
anybody wants.
think I'm good. I think.
No,
Let me know.
I got
I'll be your medic.
I got a mixed herb and my trusty knife.
Hey, gone, Hollow. Hey.
Hey, Gordon. Welcome to the stream. Now I got my trusty knife. Or should I say, yours knife.
Does anybody want a broom?
No.
I can't even leave it. I don't know how.
Hey, Tim.
Hey, Timothy.
I found the game. I'm gonna join these people. Oh, I'm gonna join these people's game. I don't know who they are, but I'm gonna join until you guys are free.
And then,
Yeah.
and
So-
then you'll just drop dead. You'll pull out of.
Yes, I'll pull out of the game. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, I don't think Vloggy trusts me. Yeah, after the last time we played.
Yeah, you left me for dead. That wasn't cool, man.
Well,
I still have nightmares.
well, I don't know terms of bullets. I was like, okay, I'm gonna trust you, and I'm out of bullets.
Oh, interesting, Red. You may have just spoiled a part of the game for me. I want to try out that game one of these days.
I don't think there's anything else.
That's okay. I guess I'll forgive you, Red. I guess I'll forgive you. What can you do?
Oh.
Yeah, there were 4 people, but you know, one kind of died.
It serves me right. I wanted to
Vloggy
progress.
just had to get ahead. He was like,
Yes,
I gotta
that's the thing. Yeah, I wanted to get ahead. Like,
Karma.
yeah, but,
It was
that's what I
karma.
get for trying to be the lone wolf. Like, I got
Yeah,
this,
that's
guys.
what
I
you
got
get.
this. I don't need teamwork.
Yeah, that's what you get for Lero Jinx it.
I was trying to show off my skills. All right, I was. All right, we have a girl, and I was trying to impress how good I am at the game. Like, whoa.
Good job.
Yeah.
No, wait, what is this?
I just need handgun bullets or something. Oh, there's shotguns.
I'll
yeah.
take all
Shotguns
the
for everyone.
first. What is this? This is so sexy. I got the revolver, the Magnum.
Yeah, that's the Magnum.
Oh, nice. Doki has finished.
Okay, can somebody take some stuff? Like I may be, you know, Yoko, but
Alright, I'll take a 8 spray, I guess.
is this Here,
Although I
somebody
have no
take this shotgun. Somebody, I can go get other stuff. You
Oh,
don't.
give me.
I just
I'm
need to have
I'm gonna take it.
detonator.
What else is here?
Oh, there's shotgun.
I'll take handgun bullets. I have a Magnum.
Oh, there's a shotgun if you want. Here.
I don't have much room. Unless I leave a first aid. I don't think we want to leave a first aid. I have like 2 herbs I could go buy.
Yeah, I think I'm ready. Well, since we're waiting.
Alright.
I'm
Okay.
I'm ahead of you guys, but not too far.
Oh, no worries. Oh, here I
We're
am.
all
Here you are.
locked and loaded.
Not yet. Not quite. There's something I need, but I'm gonna take it from here.
Ooh, what is that?
It's been a while since I played Operation Raccoon City, actually.
You want
I'd
it?
love to play it again.
Ooh, you guys have Operation Raccoon City. I'm trying to get it for the sale if it comes on sale.
I have it on PS3 though. I'm not buying it again. I'm not buying it again. No.
If I honestly could get internet on my PlayStation 3, I would love to play, but
Why? Why doesn't internet work on your PlayStation 3? Like,
I don't. Everything just stops working. Yeah, it sucks.
did you hack it or something? Like,
No,
jailbreak it or something?
no. I don't know why. Just every time it just stops working. So we just don't turn the internet on.
Once I managed to jailbreak my PS3, and I got emulators and ROMs running on it. I remember playing Super Mario on the PS3, and I was so happy. The following day they released an update, and it wiped everything again. Everything. And like, that's fine, I just won't update it. And they were like, alright, so you won't be able to sign in on your PlayStation Store, you won't be able to play online. Like, I cannot do that.
That
So
sucks.
bye! Bye 3 hours of work.
Oh no.
Took me about 3 hours to do it.
Oh no, everybody's getting eaten. Yo, that guy's just. What do we do? What do we do?
I'm just gonna stand here with my gun.
That would be me.
This cop is hilarious.
Should I use this?
I died, Sakura. I just ripped. You know how when you jump from one roof to the other? I jumped, and while I was hanging, a crow was like, "Oh,
Yeah,
it would be a shame if something happened to you right now." And the crow decided to scratch me a little bit, and give me the wing attack.
The wing attack.
Yeah, it was super effective.
Pokemon.
Yeah, gave me a wing attack, and it was super effective.
Alright, let's get the detonators. Looks
Okay.
like.
I don't even have any room, I think.
Alright, I'll try to do it, I guess. See.
Okay, I'm just gonna be electric.
Well,
I'll like cover you guys. How about that?
Yeah, I'll cover it too.
Cause I don't have any room, and you know I'm Yoko.
wait, where is it? Oh, there it is.
Okay,
Wait, did you? Okay, thank you. Oh, there it is.
Behind you, chair.
yeah, he's just
Get off
he
me.
just punching from one side to the other. They keep screaming like that.
Alright, did it.
Hey, Toby, welcome.
Hey, Joby. Okay, and we're done.
You did it, guys. GG, well done. I thought you wouldn't survive without me. I guess you're not half bad.
Well, you're a noob. Vloggy.
I'm a noob. Womp womp. Nah, that's fine. Now, when you want to do this again, but under normal, see how harder it gets, just for the fun.
Oh yeah.
Just for
Oh
the fun.
god.
Yeah, we should.
I'm gonna
Go
create a room. Then in the
Okay,
meantime,
go.
so you guys enjoy your ending, your GG, you know, the claps and stuff.
Yay!
It's
Yeah,
okay.
and I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of cotton candy while I'm at it.
All right, that's fine. 4 players, 10 minutes, and we're gonna go on normal. And we're gonna play Outbreak. And
So
finish.
y'all are watching the cutscenes, right?
I am.
Or did-
Yeah,
I
it's
might
just
have to. I have to restart my emulator. I think. Sorry.
restart
no
away.
worries,
Don't
no
worry.
worries.
I'll be right back in there.
Okay.
Okay, take your time. We'll be here.
Alright, so I created another room in the meantime, and the room is called and the password is 1212 again. Yes, it's 1212, and it's on normal this time.
Okay.
But that's the thing I like about this emulator. I mean, you can quickly load the game and quickly get back in seconds. You can quickly close it and open it real quick.
To be continued.
Hey, nobody. Welcome.
Ooh, I got a rank A.
Okay, I think my audio is working.
Because you picked up some of the items probably.
Oh
Wait.
yeah. No. Oh yeah. I got an A rank too.
Nice.
Aritak, you died too?
No, it does that. It did that to me too on the end screen. It says people died when they didn't. It's
Or
weird.
says Cheers, the only one alive. I got 2
Yeah.
special items as well. Just
Yeah,
saying.
that's.
I'm gonna say this because
Now my game audio is working.
It's working now? Alright, that's fantastic.
I think it's working. I just had to restart the emulator.
Okay, it works. I mean, I'm seeing your stats. They all say it works.
Yay!
Yay, now you have
Thanks
audio.
everyone. Thanks Gone Hollow for the help too.
You did the translate, but I mean, you can play just fine. The translator is just alright for extra. The translator pack is just for extra. What do you say? What's the word?
alright.
Extra comfort, basically. But it's still playable, you know. It's still playable. I mean, if there's an item that you don't know what it is, we can always tell you what it is. That's a
I'm
gun.
gonna
That's
play
an herb.
What's the password?
1212. 1212.
Same password, right?
Alright. I'm playing as Alyssa this time.
Yeah, baby.
Gonna do
Yay,
some
baby.
Pick locking. Although I never pick locked with her, so gonna be some Jill. She's like a formal kind of like more get up.
I was thinking of installing a mod for this game. All the characters turn into the canon characters like Leon, Claire, Wesker, Sherry. You get to play with all.
Hi, Sakura.
But that was
Yeah, that would be so
I saw-
amazing.
yes,
I
it
saw
is.
that vloggy. I saw those
Oh, yeah.
mods.
I was gonna do it, but I was afraid it would mess something up. You know, it's working fine. I don't want it to corrupt the game or something. I don't want to start over.
My life in a nutshell. Like how I did something to one of my games because I was trying to get a save data, and I
Yeah.
deleted my actual save
Yeah.
and the save data. So, oh wait, it was for Resident Evil 0.
It happened
to
to me.
re-download it all.
That same thing happened to me with Resident Evil Revelations 2. I wanted to get the rocket launcher, but I didn't want to unlock do the whole thing on the 5 hours. I was never gonna do that, but I wanted the rocket launcher. And since it's on PS3, it's very tricky to get a save file on the PS3. But there was a way you could export it and then hack the save file and then re-import it. It took me forever to do it.
Oh, see, I was doing this from Steam because you know, like how you can import save data to like your Steam games. But that did not happen.
I tried to do I tried to do that yesterday with RE5, trying to get the rocket launchers instead of having to beat the game again. But
If you want, I can help you with that.
I
That was
couldn't do that. I just couldn't do that. So I'm like, I guess we have to do it legit. So yesterday I started the whole thing legit. But before I started the game, I'm like, let me just custom modify a character. Let me just hack one character. You know, I want to play as Leon instead of Chris in this game. And it crashed the game, corrupted the game. I had to uninstall, reinstall, which means re-download the game again.
What's the password again?
1212.
Oh, it's still that. Okay.
Yeah. I'm like, oh man. So I had to re-download the game, reinstall the game. Like, come on, I can do this. And the second time I tried to. Alright, we're good to go. Start game. So the second time I tried to install Goku, and again it crashed the game again. I tried to play as Goku in Resident Evil 5. Then after the game I managed to do it. Jack Hammer is here. It's Outbreak. So Jack, did you turn 15 today?
Hey, Jack.
Jack turned
Welcome.
15 today. Are we gonna skip the
yeah.
cutscene now? We can skip the cutscene now because Jack is here. We don't want them to see the cutscene.
So, and we're doing normal now?
This is no normal now, so the key items, certain keys, are gonna be hidden in
wait.
different rooms now. It's not that easy.
We're skipping, right?
I'm trying to skip the cutscenes, but somebody's not pressing start. There we go.
Oh.
Really funny. You turned 26. Ah! I thought you were younger, Jack. I thought you were younger, Jack. I honestly thought you were younger. Not 14 or 15. I was just kidding with that. I thought you were gonna say like 22, 23.
Oh yeah, by the way, Vloggy.
Yeah?
Everyone is old.
Everybody, oh yeah, yeah, I watched some of True Stream. That was so funny. There we go. The key is not here anymore now. The key is not here anymore. There's only one way to open this door.
Bathroom?
We just need it.
I'm just gonna start doing this. This is the only way I know. You're gonna bring Bob.
I'll try to say Bob, but...
Come on, Bob, help us. Yes, nice. Nice.
Where are you?
Where's Miss Monokuma? Carl, hello. I'm sure Vloggy.
Like, you know, picking up first aid still.
Vloggy has the original CD with the whole manual. I actually do,
You're
Carl.
smart.
I actually do. I have this game. I have this game legit. I have the hard copies of the game. Oh, 4 of us survived. 5. We're so good. We are so
Oh wait,
good.
I don't want him.
Yeah. Give her Bob.
I don't want to help the old man.
I'm old.
He's my friend.
Just lurk in, Nikki. Come on, Nikki. I was watching your charms. I was watching your charms video, Nikki. It's such a cute gingerbread or whatever he is. He's cute. I like them. I'm gonna get the nail gun.
Okay, I'm in. Just
Actually, guys. Yes, I'm gonna get the nail gun. You start knocking on the door. You start knocking the door down.
Where's my friend?
All right, are you guys all in? Come on, come
I'm
on.
almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, now.
There we go.
Wait, where's that one room where you could get the shotgun?
I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about that right now.
It's the hall.
It's the next room over, I think, but...
I think a zombie
in
made
the
it
middle?
through.
Yeah, Alyssa can unlock lockpick it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that real quick.
Yeah, it's just
It's file 1, Sakura. This is file 1. File 1. All right, the zombie's outside. Awesome. Keep looking. Ooh.
Oh wow.
We can skip
You see
the
how much,
cutscenes, right?
how faster we did now? And this is on
There you
normal.
go.
We're doing better now.
Oh yeah.
That booty though.
Yeah, just don't.
And as usual, Vloggy missed my last comment.
Oh, Vloggy. Just
Ah,
don't
because of your
panic,
voice.
Okay?
Oh, watch out! Zombies coming in right behind you.
Mark, come on, man.
I legit just hit the wall instead.
Yes, come on. We got this. Aritok keeps the zombie occupied. We're gonna knock the door down. We got this. Come on, cheer, come on.
Flying, but I keep aiming at the zombie.
Do you guys want me to go get that shotgun real quick?
Yeah,
You
you can
guys.
get it. Go and get it.
Okay, cause
Come on, I gotta...
Oh, the door's open. Nice. The door's
I'm
open.
gonna go through the door.
Yeah.
It's 4 of us. We're opening doors real fast. We're good. We got this. Now, I wonder where the key is.
I got the lighter, by the way.
We need the key.
Okay, good.
Uh-oh.
We need the key
Okay,
for
good.
the forklift. I wonder where that is. It's not gonna be up here for sure.
Why is the game
Wait.
free?
What, is this normal or what?
This is normal, yes.
I think it's the same place. That's easy.
I'm gonna check right now. I'm in the room where it usually is. Let's see.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait for
Let's see.
Where are you going?
It's there. Yes, I found the key. I found the key for the forklift.
I'm just waiting for Miss Monokuma.
Guys,
I'm like
she-
confused and I'm coming.
I think she went up here.
No,
right?
I went to go get the shotgun, but
Oh, you're still...
I don't know how to use a pick lock. I'm too used to Jill automatically doing it.
Jack. Nonsense.
So you know what? I just left it.
Okay.
All right,
You
come
go,
on,
you go, you got this.
guys. The forklift is about to get switched on.
Okay, we're coming.
We're on the stairs.
Yeah.
I hear zombies coming in. Guys, better be fast.
Yeah, we're coming in. Okay, we're in the locker room.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. There's Jack Daniels here. I swear, this is Jack Daniels. This bottle is Jack Daniels over here.
Most likely.
This
can I
is
take it home?
definitely Jack Daniels. Oh, we can pick it up. You can pick up the Jack Daniels.
The moment you hit it with someone. Oh,
Okay.
right.
I'm not gonna bother though. Let's go. Go. Where's Aritok?
Right behind you.
All right.
Yeah, he's left behind.
So Vloggy, are you gonna die this time?
No. One of you goes first. This time one of you goes first so they can pick me
Are we
up.
gonna make a bet?
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, let's make a bet. But there has to be consequences for losing the bet.
Oh,
So
God.
whoever dies first has to do something. I don't know. What can we do? We have to do something. Come on. Whoever.
Well,
Who's
I
gonna
know.
die first? One of
I
us
die
is gonna
first.
die for sure this time. Definitely.
Okay, so if I die first,
Yeah?
I'm gonna make a video of me eating 10 chilies.
You just took my idea. That's all I do on my streams. Eat chili and
Oh,
drink
no, no,
booze. Oh, there's
No,
the
no,
key.
no. Yeah, but I don't do it on stream. You do. I'm just doing a video of it.
Yeah. Please, if I die first, yes, I am gonna make a stream tomorrow. Not stream, a video. Me eating chili. That's it. It's done. That's done. It's done.
Okay, where is everyone?
All right, I just made it out. I got the key. I'm gonna open the key. I'm gonna open the door for. Oh, you guys keeping doors zombies occupied. Nice. I'm gonna open this door real quick. I got the key. I got the power.
Oh no! Stop it.
All right, I
Okay,
opened the
I'm
door. This is a safe room. I don't want to eat chili.
got the
I really
thing
don't feel
open.
like eating chili
Going right in
tomorrow.
there.
All right, guys, I'm going. I'm going.
You're gonna fall. Don't fall.
Maybe.
Oh yeah.
So
I'm
there's
in
an
danger.
herbage. There's an herbage here.
Yeah, I'm in danger when I'm bleeding.
What? Are you bleeding?
Hey. Yeah, I'm bleeding and I think I'm on danger.
This area will be closed off.
Oh, here. I'll come back. 'Cause
Oh, hey,
I'm-
Jim.
I think I'm the closest to you, anyway.
Yeah, I'm going to the room.
Okay. I'll just.
You'll be
Did
safe.
somebody jump from the roof from one roof to the other or what?
I didn't.
You did?
I didn't.
Okay.
Run! I'm just gonna wait for these crows to get away from me.
Okay, I'm inside the room.
I'm gonna come over there. You help me up there because I don't want to risk this again. You help me up this time. All right.
Sorry, I'm pressing like every button. I'm up. I'm up.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
Up.
I'm on my way.
Yo,
'Cause
you crows, you can't beat me.
yeah, I was hanging in there and the crow showed up and they're like, "Bye, have a great time."
Yo, I have like all three of them on me.
Yeah, I see you climbing. I see you climbing. I see you now. All right, I'm
Help.
coming. Stay there. Can you hang over there real quick while I?
Yeah, I'm trying like not to get hit by them. I'm just running around.
Oh,
I'm coming. Help me out.
Whee!
I'm coming. Come on, we got this. 1, 2, please. Help me, please. Ooh. Help me.
I'm waiting here, Jim.
Thank you. All right, guys, come on, jump over.
I'm trying not to get hit.
I'm gonna dance now.
Who's next?
Alright, we're coming now. We're
Disco,
coming
disco,
now.
good.
Alright,
What are you doing, Kevin? What?
I'm dancing. Disco, good.
Oh,
I'll try to shoot
Once
the
I kick the
crows.
crow. Once I managed to kick a crow. Let's see if I can pull this off
Okay.
again.
Oh, I missed
Come on,
it.
jump.
Oh,
Come on.
I'm up.
I can't hit him. I'm not hitting him at all.
Yeah,
That's okay. Don't worry. Just jump. We'll help you up.
sorry.
yeah. Oh.
Please help me.
How do you?
Please
Okay,
help me.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Actually,
Let's go. We got this. Go. We're doing this. I don't think I ever made it this far on normal. I kid you not.
Actually, we did, Vloggy.
On normal, you and me, did we?
Yeah.
Was it normal? I don't know. This
Yeah,
feels.
we died at the fuel truck.
Where did we die?
You don't need the fuel, the truck.
All right. Really? Okay. So it gets harder. Yeah. I remember. Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. No, that was very hard.
That wasn't very. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I only finished this on easy.
Oh, yeah, normal we...
Watch out,
Yeah,
zombie.
normal.
Leave Cheer alone.
I just know, it keeps stopping for me.
Where's Miss Monokuma? Is she behind?
No, I'm in front of you guys.
Okay. And here I am waiting.
Oh, no, she's not.
You guys want me to go ahead or no?
No.
Yeah.
Hang
Yeah,
out
I'm
with.
with you.
Pretty good.
Just we need to push those cars. We need to push those cars now. Both of them. There's 2 cars we need to push. Somebody follow me and help me. Help me.
I'll help you.
Okay, come on.
Actually, yes. Two of us can push one car, the others can push the other car, and then we can just jump
Sure.
over the bonnets of the cars.
Yeah,
Yes?
Cheer, follow me, and we'll do the.
Okay, I'll go with
Oh.
Miss Monokuma over there. Let's go push. Not that one over here. This
All right.
Yeah, we'll push this one.
Push it
Block you.
real good.
Wait, can we block you?
All right, one managed to make it through. One managed to make it
We
through,
can
but that's
jump all
fine.
Over the cars.
Oh,
All right,
right.
Is it
so
done?
that one's done. That one's done. And I think. Oh, there's
No,
more.
it's not.
Okay.
Oh, I'm pushing it all by myself.
Sorry.
No,
I think it's. No. Here, I'll stop them from coming.
All right, I managed
yeah.
to. All right.
Okay, we're done.
What's going on?
Oh, we're done.
We
Wow,
did both
that was
sides.
fast. That was really fast.
Now!
All right, use your disco power. Okay, I'm gonna use my disco power. Pants off.
What?
It's my power. It's my special power. Pants off. It's very effective.
Oh yeah, Vloggy never streams with his pants on.
That's true. I never wear pants. Actually, I'm wearing pajama pants right now, so I'd be lying if I said I was. I'm wearing pajama
I'm not
pants.
running any pants.
I was sleeping. I was napping. And gun rounds. Jack, can I use these? I don't think so.
All right. We're gonna shoot. We're gonna shoot the
All right.
door.
Ah! Help me! Urgh! You son of a biscuit!
Oh no!
Disco, good. Okay. We got this. Oh, it's time to dodge. I'm just gonna hang here. Oh. There's a lot of zombies over here. Whoa.
Wait, where's Vloggy?
No, I'm just hanging back here. They're
Okay.
dodging zombies. You do what you gotta do. Ah! Okay, zombies, yeah.
I'm gonna give him a wrench. I'm gonna fight this zombie.
Oh no! Woof. Look at my dodging skills.
Sorry.
You see? That's why I chose. Ooh, I think
Right.
the zombie almost grabbed me. At that moment. Okay.
Oh, that was close.
He didn't get it again, did he? What?
All right. Who's going for the lighter?
I have a lighter.
Oh, you already
actually
have
have
the
the lighter.
Okay.
Oh, you have a lighter already? That's awesome.
You should go now.
I'm just gonna handle the valve handle then. I'll take care of the valve handle.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna
Let's do this.
because that's what.
Try to load the wrong ammo. Yes, that's all I do now. It's an inside joke though. I mean, I do it on purpose now. I do it on purpose. Okay, I'm gonna get them wet with the petroleum or whatever this is. Gasoline,
did that.
kerosene. Oh, wow. Who did that?
Oh, I'm gonna. Huh? Oh, that was me. I just like rest time.
All right, now somebody throw the lighter and we're done. I'm gonna get them wet. Shh. It's,
Oh my god.
Okay.
Well, I was almost.
All right, you guys go. Throw the lighter. Ooh, nice. Somebody did that already. Is it?
I have that in my head now, Vloggy.
What?
Now watch me whip. Watch me whip. Oh my god.
Oh man, there we go. Bye, have a great time. We're doing very well, actually.
Pretty
We're doing
well.
very well.
Pretty colors. I find it funny. Like 3 out of 4 didn't survive, you know, on easy, but normal or all.
Yeah, but it was a very cheap way to die. I mean, that might was. I'm really good at this scenario. I am. And even the next
Well,
one.
hey.
All right, let's go.
Well, that's Vloggy's fault for running away. Trying, you know, to be all to be Rambo.
Yes, I was trying to be cocky. Honestly, that's it. That's what you get for being cocky. Cocky buddy. Cocky buddy. There we go.
Cocky buddy.
My character looks like, I always said that. My character looks like Tom Cruise. You know, in his younger days, not older days. In the old days when he was younger.
Like Mission Impossible 2.
Yeah, Mission Impossible. Yeah, oh, I'm still here.
Oh, I'm still here. I was climbing when that
Even me.
Wee.
There we go. Oh.
Okay.
Did you guys pick up the herb on the other side?
No.
No, I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah. No. I don't have like a blower. Even though it's useless. I don't know why I have a bit. Sir.
It's a red one actually. It's not.
No, I have a blower.
I'm on caution.
had
Why
it.
am I on caution?
Oh. Well, here. Oh.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna see if I can get a green herb up there.
Oh, we really need. I miss playing this game with Drew. I really miss playing it because Drew panics as well, and I love people when they panic. I panic as well. I like when everyone's panicking. Now, you guys, tell me, what do you want to go? What do you want to play next? Do you want to play this again under hard scenario this time, or do you want to play the next one as in the hospital one?
Ooh, the hospital.
How about the hospital one?
I think we should do the, you know, under what do you call it?
Herb. And I got a blue herb.
The next one. I forgot what it's called.
Unless you want to do this again under hard, so we can say we defeated all the possible modes on this.
Oh yeah, we should
Wait,
do
there's
that.
hard and very hard though.
Oh, there you go.
yeah, we
Wow. Okay. Until we can't do it anymore. Vloggy is the kind of guy that panics and just lets the rest to die. No, Jack. But if I'm sorry, but if my friends are in a situation when they cannot get out of it and they're dying, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna hang here. I'm gonna leave the room. No, but seriously, if I can help, yes, I'll stick around and help. But if it's useless to just watch him die, I'm just gonna leave.
So there's is there a nightmare mode? Is that what Max you're saying, nightmare mode? Or...
I think there is a nightmare mode for this game, but I think it needs to be unlocked. I'm not so sure. Yes, I heard that nightmare mode was brought back for this game.
No, I think only Fall 2 has nightmare mode.
Oh yeah, yes. Cheer is right. Yes, Cheer is right.
That must be a nightmare.
As you can see,
I see what you did there.
there are too many roadblocks. I'm afraid you'll have to get out.
Why is
and
this game
continue
so
on foot.
dark?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I have it all the way turned up. Cutscenes are like...
Sorry, that dark for me. I don't know.
I can barely see the guy's face.
All right, yes, baby, let's go. All right, you guys.
Oh, I want that.
Nope.
Ah!
There's another one over there.
Mine.
Mine. You remember that from Finding Nemo? Mine.
I think I'm all set. I got a herb
I'm gonna grab the.
and a first
I
aid.
came here just for the. Oh no, it's a Magnum, right?
Oh, wait, I can...
Let's see. Yes. Haha. I got the Magnum. Disco, good. Oh, I want to play Operation Raccoon City again with Jack. Who did we play it with last time? I think Amy was
Cheater and
there.
me reloading our bullets together.
God, I
I'm
miss
ready.
Raccoon City.
You, Amy, Vloggy, and me. Yes. I want to do that again. Yeah.
Yeah, I can find it on Steam.
My sister now says everything will be on sale. So
Yes,
I
very
ordered
soon. Yes,
50.
there's the early Christmas Steam sale. So yeah, very soon. I want to buy another Resident Evil title on PC.
Come on, we gotta all play.
Yeah, but not Operation
I'm
Raccoon
so-
City. It's not even
I'm
that
so
good.
I'm gonna max it out again. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get it all done, and I'll be like, yes. I'm doing a lot of PvP in that. That's all I can tell you. That's my favorite part about it. Playing it online with going against the villains, or
I liked Operation Raccoon City, but it's not that good. It's not one of the good games really. So I don't want to buy it again.
Oh yeah.
I think I like it just because like you could see Jill, Claire.
Yeah, you get
And
to see.
it's like a side story to the actual game.
It's like a third scenario, a what if scenario kind of.
It's a what if, yeah, it's a what
Yeah,
if.
I like what ifs. What
Vloggy,
if?
you should. Oh, Vloggy.
Yeah?
You should get the Dragon Nest.
Hold on,
Oh,
I'm gonna
you-
try to see if I can
why
pick
not?
up.
Yeah, I play it every now. Yeah, I do play it every now and then.
All right, where's the other item? I'm trying to find the other item real quick. Oh, I found it. I got it. All right, now I'm gonna combine them. I got this. I'm gonna combine. All right, now I'm gonna use it. Give me a sec. We got this, guys. We got this. Oh, I can't see anything. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Have a great time.
Yay!
Yay! We're done.
On normal, guys.
Right back,
On
okay.
normal.
Hold on, be right back. Jeez. Sorry.
Oh no, it is. Take your time.
Now this is very satisfying. This cutscene.
Oh yeah.
Rip. Now a little monologue. So you guys want to play this again on a harder difficulty, or do you want to try a different scenario? Up to you guys. I don't mind.
I don't mind.
Yeah, personally, I think that since we're all 4 people right now, we should exploit the moment and try to beat this on all the difficulties, so we can say, you know, we can do it. I don't know.
As what Drew would say, let's kick it up a notch.
Kick it up a notch. All right.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like
I got some good points. I got an A ranking. Did I? Wait, where is the ranking? I thought I saw. Yeah, A rank.
Yeah,
Nice.
I think we all got A ranking.
Yeah, I did.
Nice. I'm gonna save because I'm trying to rack up the points.
Yeah. Yeah. You know that time when I when I used red bait and finished the one with the tyrant, I forgot to save, so I didn't get the points for that one.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks, Max. Thanks, guys. All right, see you around, Max.
Bye, Max.
No problem.
Bye, Max.
Vloggy,
See
plans
ya,
on
Max.
Operation Raccoon City with Jack and crew? Yes, we should do that. We should do that. Hey, Timothy, welcome. Zombie elephant, I know, right? All right, so I'm gonna create another room real quick, or someone else is doing it. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. We'll wait for you.
I'm gonna create another room. We're gonna do it. We're gonna kick it up a notch. Let's kick it up a
All
notch.
right. Oh boy.
All right. I think I don't know. I think I don't think we're gonna do this time. I don't know.
I think we got this.
I don't know.
Yeah, we got this.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit, guys. That's the spirit. My question is.
I bet I die first.
My question is. I wonder who's gonna die first.
Me. I will myself.
Oh no, I'm gonna die first.
Oh.
You want to go straight to very hard right away? Oh no, let's just hard. Let's just do it on hard for now. So, all right. Finish.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, Jazz, welcome. Come here to say hello because I've had work been hard. Good night. No problem. Thank you so much for stopping by, though. We appreciate that. Yeah, have a good one. Have a
Okay.
good night. Bye. Have a good night.
Okay.
All right, the
Bye,
room is
have a good
ready.
night.
It's called hard.
Okay, what's the password? Save?
1212. Yeah. Let's keep it like
Okay.
that.
I'm in. Yay.
Yeah. 2 out of 4.
Okay, I'm in.
3 out of
I'm
4.
there.
4 out of 4. There we go. Oh man, I'm enjoying this challenge.
What the? Hey, this is game is full.
What?
Oh, some random person joined.
Somebody who knows the password.
Yeah,
They're
it's someone watching the stream, I think.
Oh man, really?
Okay, you know what we should do? I think we should post it in Discord.
Yeah, that's what we'll do then. Somebody just randomly joined.
Yeah.
All right.
I was like,
All right, I'm gonna
Yeah,
quit. I'm
sure.
gonna quit the session and start over. What can you do?
Okay.
oh, okay. Just gonna wait here.
That's so weird. Somebody's watching the stream.
Yeah, while I'm waiting,
Yo. Ivan,
up.
hey.
while we're waiting, I'm gonna open up another.
I'm gonna quit the stream.
Back. Yeah.
Jokes on you, person watching and trying to snipe our stream. Jokes on you. Tra-la-la.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna torture you with this cotton candy.
0
I think it was
points.
a
No need
viewer-
to
I think it
save.
was a viewer in my stream who was asking, and I said, we had a full party tonight, but another time.
Okay, there we
And,
go.
yeah. But yeah, Discord, we're gonna...
I just posted it on
buy
on the
yours.
outbreak thingy now on Sandwiches.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
I'm creating the room though. I just decided the password already.
Alright.
Okay, gotcha.
A little bit. Nice. Why am I in the making room?
I'm creating the room right now.
Yeah,
Oh.
tonight I'll probably do like a session. I feel like I didn't have enough viewers on my end to like, you know, have a rotating kind of.
Go
you
guys,
know,
go! It's ready.
People.
Okay,
I just realized I streamed myself doing the password so quickly.
Oh god, yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna get an extra viewer. Now, come on. One person in. That's me.
What was the password again?
I'm not gonna say it. Come on. I posted it.
Well, no, I did that, so.
That
Oh yeah, I remember it.
Alright, I'm in, but.
Yeah, 3 people are in already.
Alright, yep, Vloggy.
That's him.
Yes.
That's him. That's him. He's on the stream.
Good.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
I'm
all
in.
in.
All right, because the person in as was actually watching my stream, I think. Hello, Light.
Yeah. Just,
Hello,
Oh, no.
yeah. Hello, Light. It was you, wasn't it?
what's happening? Wow, my stream just like dropped.
Yeah. I
When
think so,
everybody has like high points, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm over here with 8K. Everybody has like 44 to 50 plus. Yeah. Okay.
A few extra viewers.
Chillin'.
Just an extra one. It was Light. I can see Light. You're welcome to join us next time, Light. I'm gonna skip the cutscene.
Okay.
So Jack says, seriously, an account with an anime character name? Looking at your account and your profile picture, looking at Sakura, I think that's an anime name. Looking at Red, I'm sure he means the Red from Pokemon. So everyone has anime names. All right, let's go. We have no idea where the key is again this time, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, I found the key. What? On hard, the key is here. Nice. I got the key. We don't need to kick the door anymore. I'm coming. I got the key.
Sakura's name is based on the.
I got the key. I got the key.
Yeah, Sakura's name is based on the plant. You know, the tree. Not the enemy.
Steampunk cat, but yeah, it's Sakura. Sakura is something from the anime as well, as
but
Red.
Actually, no, it's not, Vloggy.
What?
It's a tree in Japan. It's a tree in Japan called Sakura.
But there's a character as well in the anime. Not
Oh
the
my
anime.
god, that scared me.
I think it's a cat. Whoa! I went pretty close to that zombie. I went really close to that zombie.
Oh my gosh.
No, Jack. I wasn't saying you. I know it's
I
something
got
to.
the herb from it though.
Okay, nice. Let's go.
Okay, I think we're all up.
We're all up.
Look at
I'm gonna barricade the thing. Start opening this door, guys. I'm gonna barricade
Yeah.
the door.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the key for this door.
It's really bad.
Oh,
I'll
wait.
get the lighter.
Alright.
The key is.
Go.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get the key for this door. I know what it is.
And yeah, I just remembered where Sakura's from. It's a Capcom character from Street Fighter, I think. There's a character called Sakura, I think. That's why it's referenced in Resident Evil 2. There's like a restaurant called Aruka's. It's like Sakura backwards.
Yeah, I'll do that, Ivan. Yeah.
Alright.
For sure.
I think there's a newspaper in the refrigerator. Hold on. No, it's a butcher's knife.
Is this the one where those scorpion things or whatever they are come after us?
I don't know, but in one of the modes, yes, it's scorpions
That's
instead of
hard.
zombies. Yeah.
Oh no, I think that's very hard.
I don't
Okay.
mess with scorpions.
Alright, I'll
no,
trust you
they're
here.
like giant bugs.
Oh no, the zombie got in. Gosh.
Yeah, they just spawn in here. I don't know how this happens. All right, I'm gonna keep the zombie occupied. You just try to keep the door open. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I got the door. I got the key for the door.
Oh, you
you
got the
did.
key? All right.
Yeah. I was gonna say I got the door for the key.
Oh, no special item.
Ooh, whoa, thank you.
Oh, I think I already got that. Just try it.
Oh,
Alright. Listen to me.
Yeah, I think the key is for the same place.
And the zombie's rip. Actually, yes, he is rip. Yes!
Hey, the door
Yeah,
is
baby.
open. Let's go.
Go! But I think we need to come back anyway, because I think we need the forklift key now. I wonder if the forklift is gonna be here.
Yeah, it's gonna be down there. Owner's room. But we need the bottom.
Hard is easy. No, hard is hard, Light. Hard is easy. No, hard is hard.
hard is hard.
Well, saying the one who died turned easy.
I'm gonna try to hold the door close.
Light. Hard is hard. Giggity.
Oh,
No, the key is not here. The key is not here this time.
Yeah, we need an empty bottle.
Ruh-roh.
What? An empty bottle? Okay, there is an empty bottle here. I mean, then what?
Yeah, we need a bottle.
Yeah.
You go down.
Somebody want to go with me? I don't want to go by myself down there.
Oh, Vloggy,
Yeah.
I'll go with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a
I'm gonna
bottle.
go with you.
I got a bottle already, so let's go.
Yeah.
Sakura,
Well,
you're making Timothy uncomfortable.
Watch out, there's a zombie about to bust through this door.
well, I know what it is, so
Alright,
going with
I'm
you.
coming
Watch
down.
out, watch out. Oh, shoot, it came through.
Whoa!
Okay,
okay.
I'm going with Vloggy.
Okay,
Because
don't
I-
leave Miss
Guys,
Monokuma alone.
I'm fine up here. I'm just,
Yeah.
exploring
Yeah,
the wine place, looking for wine I can might drink.
Alright, run, there's a zombie.
Run.
Yeah, I see.
I got the bottle, I don't know where I need to put it though.
Okay, yeah, just follow me.
Where's the zombie at? Come on.
Oh, just be careful, there's a zombie inside.
The men are taking care of
Oh.
this. The men are taking care of this.
Oh my god, there's like 2 zombies on me. Okay.
Come on, just climb up the ladder and stay safe up there.
Aren't you? I know. Oh, thank you, Lith, for the sub. Is that what it is? For the follow?
There's a zombie here, I hear a zombie.
Yeah, over here. Put in there.
Where?
Behind you, in the picture.
Oh,
Ah,
shit.
okay, alright.
What?
Now what?
My language.
There was a noise.
Go to the desk. Here.
Oh no. Oh no. I'm trapped
Hey,
between
Barb's here.
3.
Okay, I'm getting the key.
I'm actually trapped.
I'm trying to find the
between
key.
3
Oh, you got the key? You got the key?
Yeah, I got it.
Let's go, go. You just, why don't you
Hey.
climb the ladder and stay safe up there?
Uh-oh. There's like
Hey, big
4
boss.
zombies.
Welcome back to the stream, big boss.
We're on our way. Oh, big
Hey,
boss.
boss.
Hey,
Yeah,
big
he's,
boss. He can do a very good Arnold impression. I noticed him. He was doing it on Biohazard TV. It was so good, man. I love
Hey,
impressions.
big boss.
Oh yeah.
You've got. I don't even know how to do it. Put that cookie down now. I don't know how he does it. It's so good. When you play on very hard. If we survive this, we're gonna go on very hard next. If we
Oh
survive
my
this.
good lord, not
Okay,
the very
what-
hard.
Come on, we
Yeah,
got this.
so
Come with me if you want to live. I cannot do it. Come with me if you want to live. I don't know how to do
Hey.
it.
Hey,
Yeah.
I did once on very hard learn words, and somehow I survived.
Watch out, zombies. Watch out.
Yeah, I see them. I'm just gonna.
There's another zombie. So who's got the key? You put the key in there. I'm just gonna climb the ladder and I'm gonna stay safe. Where's Miss Monokuma?
Yeah.
I'm up here. I'm up
Oh,
here.
Alright,
no.
good,
Oh, no.
good.
Yeah. Okay, done. I'm done.
I didn't know there was this many zombies.
There you are.
After almost dying, I think I'm.
That was like get to the chopper.
Yes.
Okay, we
If
got
we survive this, we go on very hard. Come on. We all go very hard. Giggity.
We'll see who survives,
Giggity.
I guess.
Oh man, I want a soundboard. You see, if I had a soundboard, I would have played that giggity right now. Does anybody know what soundboard Pudge uses? I really like Pudge's soundboard.
I think he uses like a website.
A website?
Yeah.
I need to
I do
ask
have
him.
it. Yeah, I have it.
Oh my god, the first
Giggity.
aid.
Grab the
Give me
first
that.
aid village. Their key is here. I'm gonna grab the key. I'm on caution. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Zombies
Oh,
are
I
coming
have
in.
herbs.
I'm going cautious.
I have herbs, so if you need.
Thank you, Nikki. I appreciate that.
Guys, don't you wish I was Yoko to hold everything?
Well, I don't find it like a priority to have. I'm really used to having 4 slots. You know, I rarely find myself asking someone to hold something for me. Really,
Yeah,
that's just me.
I'm used to play as David only.
No, crap.
Thank you, Nikki. Thank you.
I have the herbs here if you need something. I'm right behind you.
All right, so I'm just gonna look around, see if I. Oh, hello, first aidage. I'll take it. Thank you very much. And you giving me something? What are you giving me?
Yeah, it's an herb.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Use it now.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's see what's behind this thing.
Okay. Okay, we're done.
I'm
It's
coming.
open.
Alright, you want me to go first?
Well, as long as there's somebody having your back,
No, I'm gonna
go
go
right
first.
ahead.
You
Thanks,
sure?
big boss.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
And you get a
I'm
like.
gonna
You get a
get
like.
the cloud.
You get a like. I'm alright, how are you?
Please proceed to this checkpoint immediately.
Decisions are very hard. You're right. We can barely do it on easy. I wish there was a very easy mode. We just hit the button and you finish the game.
Did I just hear
I heard Navi.
Navi?
What was
Yeah.
that?
My phone ringtone. Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
that's,
listen!
oh yeah, sorry.
Why won't he jump down? Come on.
Yeah, that's just my phone.
That used to be my ringtone for when people called me.
My ringtone right now is
That's how
the
it's
shooting
done,
stars
Big
meme.
Boss, that's how it's done.
I thought we should. I agree that I'll go first.
I'll wait for Vloggy, I guess.
You're fine.
Yeah. Wait for me. Help me. I'm coming.
Okay.
Let's go. Go.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm jumping. Okay.
Oh wow, cheer.
My
You're
hand.
gonna.
Somebody help me up.
I got you.
I got
Whoa!
Help me.
You just,
it. Ah, got it.
whoa! You just actually ran through the wall.
All right. You go next. Aritok. We got you.
Mark's pretty big, so
Yeah.
he's all
Yeah,
three.
Oh, you're heavy.
Cheer's like.
You're
Cheer's
heavy.
like the only one who got it.
Everybody went down.
Cheer's the only one who's just like, yeah, I got this.
Everybody wanted to help. You see what a good team we are?
Oh my
Yeah,
God, I'm at 10 balls.
yeah. Well, hey, I'm the luckiest person in the world.
Hey, Ada.
Ada
Yeah,
Wong's
the
here?
timing. You can time your jump to not fall.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, actually,
I
this
wasn't
is
sure. I wasn't sure if it was a time thing or RNG.
Come on, get in there. What the heck is going on? He tried to get in.
I don't like you, zombie.
okay.
Let's go. I don't know why I'm going.
Go.
How are you, big boss?
How are you, big boss? I cannot do it. I try.
Into the chopper.
I can do Scooby. Uh-oh.
Go.
5 people can't get in the elevator. Whole thing.
Well, I cannot do any voice impression, but I can do this.
All right, somebody come with me. Let's push the car.
Let's do the same thing, like cheer.
Yeah,
not-
yeah.
Yeah, let's do the same thing. Miss Monokuma, you come with me.
Alright.
You come with me now.
I think Vloggy
Do
should
it
go with
now.
everything
You come with me now.
Too
Okay.
much energy to do that.
Only if you pay me.
Okay, let's go. Go.
Alright, cheer. let's do
okay.
this.
We push the car now.
Turbo mode.
Uh-oh, I think we're not gonna be pushing it anymore because there's zombies now.
I'm
And
kinda, like,
they
in
made
the
it through.
car right now. Yo, these guys
Come
are
with me if you
right.
want to move.
Why is it not pushing? Come on.
Yeah, next time I think we should go.
We got it.
Nice. That was perfect.
Hey, big boss, there you
We
are.
can do very hard. This is
There you are.
The next part, though. The next part. Is gonna...
Oh, this part is easy.
All right. Well. On
Good luck
very
to
hard.
whoever dies.
I think it's easy because everybody knows what needs to be done. That's why.
Oh yeah.
If it was me, I would have died already because I would have panicked trying to open the door with the forklift. I had no idea where you grab that, yeah. Because I had no idea where to get the forklift keys. So
Well, I have one question.
Alright, I'm gonna try to shoot these zombies down. Someone's gotta do it. Cause...
all right, so there's no insects yet. It's just zombies again.
Yeah, it must be very hard.
So this is the very hard one, yeah.
Yeah, actually, the bugs come in the previous part. The police car.
Hold on. I'm trying. Sorry, I'm not looking at chat right now because this is some expert dodging skills. This is expert mode. No. I think you're confused, Light. You see, it's not easy. We make it look easy.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
We make it look at those dodging skills. I make it look so easy, but it's not. You see, I even outsmart teleporting zombies. Look.
okay.
Whoop. This way. Whoop.
Whoa.
There we go. Lightbugs is expert. All right. So
Yeah, it's not easy. We're just pretty good.
The problem is that everyone
jumping
runs
streams.
before.
Put the cookie down. I cannot do it. You do it. You do the impression perfectly. I loved it. I was lurking on a stream of yours. I think it was Biohazard stream. Biohazard TV stream.
Oh yeah. Actually,
I had you on headphones and you were doing the impression. I was impressed.
Okay.
Do it now! He said to do it now!
Does anyone have the lighter?
I do.
Yeah.
Okay, you do. Okay.
Where did you guys grab the lighter anyway?
In one of the
no.
rooms.
In the
This is the room
bathroom?
with the shotgun when you need Alyssa.
So in the bar, you mean? In the bathroom?
Yeah, upstairs.
No, upstairs.
Upstairs?
It's like upstairs.
Okay. I'm gonna do the thing. I'm gonna do the valve handle.
I'm almost dead.
I got you. I got you.
Okay, thanks.
You practiced for years. I love it. I love it. Well, all those years of practice paid off. All those years of practice paid off, Sensei. Show me your ways of samurai.
I think I can play Yuri.
Ah!
Watch out, you guys. Watch out, you guys. Now somebody needs to throw in the lighter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no.
Do it now!
No.
I was getting hit by
Ian's
some
here,
zombies.
like,
Yeah.
dead.
Oh no! I said I think I can play Yuri.
What, Yuri?
Yeah, Yuri. You know,
My
Yuri.
waifu? My wife?
Yeah.
What about her?
Yeah, I can actually, do her voice. If you want.
What? What was that? Who did
She
that?
does a comedy senpai. You know what? If I ever get to remake the game, cause now it's kind of scary, I'm gonna rename my character Senpai so everybody just calls me Senpai. Guys, if you ever play Doki Doki Literature Club, please be older than 18 or 20. I advise it.
Oh yeah, I just got that game. I just
Very,
downloaded
very.
I have no idea what's going on right now with the lols and the no's in the chat. I have no idea what's going on.
Oh, well, we're just playing. We're just talking about the game.
Yeah.
Doki Doki Lecture Club.
Literature Club. Oh my god. It's so I thought it was gonna be so cute and frilly, even though people were like, oh no, it's dark. The moment it got dark, I freaked out. I was like,
Oh yeah. Yeah. When it gets dark, she was like, cheers, wanna play as black?
I legit, okay, so I thought it wasn't gonna be so bad, but
Are you okay?
Actually, when I saw it, I actually freaked out.
I
Like,
freaked
how-
out. It was the
Yeah,
music,
but-
I think, that freaked me out, in all honesty. I could 100% say it was the music. And now every time it glitches, I'm gonna get so freaked out, because I know who... I'm scared!
Yeah, well, yeah. When that part came out, I actually, put my hand on my chest. 'Cause,
I
like,
was covering my eyes the whole time.
Yeah,
I'm not
for some
lying.
For some reason, my heart just started bumping really hard.
I've never heard of the game, to be honest. Never heard of the game.
Oh,
really?
you could go watch my streams. There's great
yeah.
reaction. Oh my god, in the scene where, my waifu.
Oh my waifu.
That chocolate scene and that scene in the...
Oh my god, those two scenes.
I was done. I was just like, okay. Okay, this is not kid appropriate. If you're the age of 18 and young, well, you know what, 17 and young, please don't play that game. Please. You guys ready?
Light. I speak many languages, Light, but Portuguese is not one of them. Womp,
Yeah,
womp.
Yeah, I'm here, just waiting for a talk.
You know what? I think I prefer Kevin's uniform more than I prefer
Hey,
Leon's.
Oh my god, manga is so good. That's all I read right before I go to bed.
Police department. Please
Probably
try to stay
80% of
calm.
my day I'm reading manga, I'm not gonna lie.
Evacuation. We need
It's
to
a sad
evacuate as
thing.
quickly as possible.
That thing. And, people were like, hey, what are you doing? I'll be like, reading manga. And they'll be like, why don't you come talk? I'll be like, I'm sorry, I'm
That's
reading
it then?
manga.
Get in, please.
We're
I know,
skipping the
right?
cutscenes, right?
Yeah, I guess we are.
Yeah, I've been cutting.
We're taking
Skipping
sides.
some.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, I'm surprised I'm so focused on this game. Yeah, considering that
I think we're not really focusing. We're just talking really random stuff. We're not even focusing on the game. We're just playing as it goes along.
I mean,
No, I mean like you know, I've been up since I streamed on the marathon. I haven't slept at all.
What? Seriously, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
Why can't I pick this first aid up? Someone can pick the handgun up.
I'm full. I have 3 healing items and I'm full.
You're fine, I got it. Finally.
Finally, I dropped the newspaper.
Alright.
I'm not sure why I have that. Hey, this memory.
Outbreak.
Outbreak File 2.
File 3. Yeah, I wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should remake this game. Or
That would be so cool.
There's no need for them to remake the game, guys.
Well,
We got it covered. We have it.
No, we need a remaster.
We don't
Yeah,
need
I know.
anything. It looks great. Come on.
No, put it on Steam so like it's easier to like play online.
Oh yeah.
Why do we want it to be easier to play it online? We don't need it. It's working now. Now I'm being selfish now. I got the game to work, so
for me, the teleportation thing is not working.
yeah, it's true. Yeah, I agree with
That's
that.
the only thing that needs to really be fixed.
It's true.
Yeah.
I agree.
Such trickery.
Yeah, this is just with the final tyrant.
And probably
He teleports all over the place.
The syncing up too, like if you're in the middle of opening a door or picking up an item that it
It's true.
doesn't
Yeah, it's true. I
drop
agree.
it again or something.
Yeah, they should.
Little things.
Yeah, it should be more stable.
And I don't think it's the servers really. I think the servers are really good. I don't think this happens because of the servers.
It was Vloggy. It was like that even back in the day.
Exactly. I was gonna ask actually. I was gonna ask. Yeah, you see it. So there you go.
It
All right,
was-
I'm gonna go pick up the stuff. I'm gonna do the thing again. Somebody should have my back because I don't know how harder this just
Alright, I'll
got.
follow you.
I'm picking up the first item. Okay, I'm going for the second item.
Wait, it's right here.
I see it shiny over there. Where is it? That's not it. Where is it? I don't see the second item.
It's down, they moved it over here.
Need to reload.
Oh, I see it. Alright, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. They moved it. That traitors. Oh. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna combine it. I need to find a safe spot. Hang out and combine it. Alright, it has been combined. Now I'm just gonna go do it.
Whoa.
Do it now! And done. GG.
Oh,
On hard mode, guys. On hard mode. None of us died. That's how good we are.
I say we deserve a cupcake.
I think we deserve a very hard mode now.
yeah.
But cupcakes.
Yeah, we need cupcakes.
No, I just started the diet. I started the diet 1 hour 30 minutes ago.
Alright, you can have
Who
like
started diet
cake
before
bar.
New Year's?
No, I'm good. I've eaten a lot already, so I'm just gonna.
Alright, I'll take your cupcake then. How about that?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
have my
alright.
cupcake. Yeah, sure, whatever. You can have. But yeah, everybody's like, why did you start the gym before New Year's? Why did you start the diet before? You know, otherwise it would be too mainstream. Look at that, hard with 35%, rank A, and I've got 1400 points. That's good. Well, it's actually
Wait, I
no
have 19%
no
done.
144. 144. What?
I have
14,000. I can't read numbers.
Oh, I have more than Resident Evil Taco. Okay, I feel good.
Aw.
I feel okay.
How can you guys see other people's? How can you see other people's ranks?
Are we doing very hard now? Or
We
gonna-
should
Yeah,
now. Come on, we're on a
yeah.
roll. We're on a roll.
Yeah,
Very
let's
hard
go
will be
now.
interesting.
Yeah, very
Oh,
hard.
yeah. Yeah, the key will be in the same place for the forklift.
I need to ask Nerdy Nikki why that. Pfft, why is VloggyBuddy working out? Pfft, why is it? Pfft? Come on, don't pfft me. Don't pfft me. I want a shirt that says. Pfft.
Sounds like you're gonna do a beatbox rap. There you go.
All right, I'm gonna create another room.
Password, is it gonna change?
Let's leave it as it is. Then there's no need to make another. I mean, just the one in the Discord.
Yeah, just make sure you just check with the stream. Okay?
I mean, I
Just
could
ensure
switch
that-
this. Yeah, I could switch the screen for a sec. Well, no, it's the same one.
Oh no, I'm talking to Vloggy.
Sorry, what?
Don't show the stream.
Oh no, I quit. I did a Miss Monokuma. I pressed X to exit by mistake. Oh man.
No, Doctor. Earlier, when he was putting the password, he was showing the stream.
Hold
Make
on.
sure you don't do that, Vloggy.
What?
I say block the stream.
Yeah. I'm on it. Don't worry. We got a shark in the chat. We got a shark. Oh man. He's still there. You see, he's still there. He's still in the chat. I got you, man. I got you. All right, outbreak finish. All right, the room is ready. Calm down, Nikki. Calm down, Nikki. So, Vloggy's been working out them eyes. What are you saying? Good Vloggy.
No,
Okay, so the room is ready. 1 out of 4. 2 out of 4.
I'm getting there.
True is a fine wine. Well, he gets yummier
Alright,
when it
Vloggy.
ages. Ready? 3 out of 4.
I'm in.
You're in.
I'm checking the list to see who's coming in.
You're checking the list. Checking it twice.
Gonna make sure who's naughty or not.
Gonna
No,
eat
I
chicken
fell
and
into- I fell
rice.
into that one.
Alright. 3 out of 4. 4 out of 4. There we go. Starting
I'm
the
not
game.
finished
Oh,
yet.
very
I'm
hard.
just
Let's just make Light Yagami eat his own words. Alright. Let's just prove to him that this is. We're gonna make it look easy. Alright.
Oh, everybody
boy.
has 50 plus K.
Nice. Look at that.
I'm just that little low level.
Hey, don't worry.
I didn't know that. So where can you use those points?
You go into the store and you can buy stuff. You
and
unlock
the
those
collectibles.
outfits. Biohazard outfits.
Oh
Yeah,
my
you-
god.
Yeah, in the main menu, there's collectibles. Do you see
Yeah,
it?
but I don't think you can. You can unlock infinite ammo, but it doesn't work for the online. That's a shame. It only works for Outbreak File 2. That's a
That
shame.
makes me sad.
Yeah, in Outbreak File 2 we can play with unlimited ammo. All right, let's go. Butcher's knife on the counter, and let me see if I can find the key. Key is here. Key is here. That's fantastic. The key is still here. I got the
I
key.
already have a knife, so I don't need it.
All right, opening the door. I got the key. So far, so good.
That's one, yeah.
Look at how he talks, trying to get Bob with us.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
100% complete. Not really, but
I don't care about. Does it matter the completion percent?
I don't get it really about the percentage. Actually, I don't really know how to get. But anyway,
I just try to finish as fast as I
I got
can.
the garbage.
Yeah, when I play it on my own. Yeah, when I play it on my own, I just rush it.
Do do.
All right, I think there's another garbage here, or not? Oh, there's. Nobody gonna grab it? Oh yeah, grab it.
I got it.
Good boy.
Got bullets here too.
Good
Okay, I'm
boy.
gonna go with it. Get the key for the door.
I'm gonna nail the door shut, as always. Just buy some time.
Okay, we're all in.
Yeah, I hope
I'm gonna
everyone's
get
in.
newspapers because we need to make mall if we want to deal with those scorpion.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
But you need a newspaper, a bottle, and a lighter to make it.
This
I
is not
think.
mine. This is not Minecraft. Come on.
Yeah, you can make Molotov
Yeah.
cocktails.
Oh,
I
never knew
hated
that.
making those in Resident Evil 0.
And this is worse because you need a lighter, I think, in this game. You need 3 spots. I have a newspaper, but alright. Let's work on this.
If you want, you can give it to me.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna need an empty bottle for the.
No. But I'll give you the bottle back. Or the.
Mustache
Oh,
zombie.
you'll give me the Molotovs? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be the resident Molotov character.
Oh, I don't need any weapons because I have my trusty knife. Fury. What?
Nightbot in my chat went pure luck, noob. It always cracks me up.
Okay.
Help! Please help! Good.
There.
You guys good there? You want to? females help?
Yes, please.
See?
They say
Watch
women
out,
are strong.
isn't me.
We need the help of a strong woman. You sound like a strong woman.
Okay, I get the key.
I think we don't need the key now.
Right?
Oh, apparently Alyssa can use the lockpick on this. I didn't think this was a lockable thing.
Really? I don't know. I think we are gonna need the key. Oh, we did it! Nice!
Just, I was about to go lockpick it too.
We don't need cheer.
Cheer, come on.
I guess you don't need me either. I was just about to go lockpick it.
Ah, the door closed. Okay.
We still need
open the door,
to get the forklift key now.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, you know what it is, Vloggy. You go.
Yeah, but no, somebody needs to watch my back though. I can't go by myself. Come on.
Yeah.
Herb. Here you go.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, it is, Timothy. Yes, everybody. Whenever somebody types GG, Nightbox just calls me a noob. That's on purpose.
Okay, thank you.
Trying to be funny, you know. Trying hard to be funny.
I'm not gonna risk it. You guys do you need my help with the...
I'm gonna go down, but it would be nice if somebody came with me because I'm afraid that I will perish.
I'll go down. I'll try.
I'm on my way down. I'm on my way down right now. I got the bottle.
I'll follow you then. I'll go. Oh boy.
Yes. I mean,
It's taking
wait.
forever.
those that are gonna stay up,
No.
just go up the ladder. Go up the ladder and wait there.
I was gonna make the Molotov.
Oh yeah,
It's
make
gonna
the
be ugly
molotovs.
when
Yes.
we go back up here.
Wait, where are you?
I'm on my way down. I'm gonna go place the bottle now.
Oh. hello.
Cheer, you don't have health though on you.
Watch out! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
No, I didn't have
You
anything.
go. Survival of the fittest. Go, 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 go.
Survival of the fattest.
Oh, definitely. Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
watch out, watch out. There's zombies everywhere.
Well, I'm a survivor, so.
I'm a survivor. I'm
who
gonna
wanted these?
make it.
What?
Who wanted these Molotovs?
Oh wait, I'm
Already
downstairs.
talked.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm downstairs.
Yeah,
Right.
let's just go upstairs.
We'll meet up on the
Ladder.
roof, I guess. Oh shoot.
I'm placing the bottle right now. Done. Okay, something clicked, something opened. I got the drawer open. I got the key. Let's get out of here. Out, 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 out,
Oh
out.
my god, he is not dying.
No, don't worry, don't worry. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
No,
Go, go,
there's
go.
herbs and stuff over there.
Don't worry, let's go, let's go. Don't worry about it. You're gonna waste the ammo. Come on.
Oh my god.
You okay?
Yeah, we're fine. We'll just.
No, no, no. Are you there? Are you right behind me?
Yeah, I'm coming through now.
All right,
Oh, I have useless.
let's
key.
go.
Yeah,
Watch out.
and You're banned. You're banned.
We got this. Nice teamwork.
Yeah, it's gonna be ugly now for us because I'm sure there's a bunch of zombies in here now.
Yeah, we just ran past them. Don't stop. Just run past them.
Don't stop.
See, whoever goes first
believing.
gets to dodge. The second person gets.
Cheer is playing two games at the same time, simultaneously. Gambling his points away, his pants away. All right, I got the key. I'm gonna run.
In other words, I lost. I have one pants and I lost it.
Somebody just subscribed. Distant Memories 1996. Thank you for subscribing.
Oh, Distance.
Distance
One of my
subscribed to me as well.
buddies.
Thank
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the sub.
Thank you for subscribing.
All right, let's.
We're gonna win this for you, man. We're gonna win this. There's a zombie here. Oh! No! We can do this. Come on!
We'll open the
Go.
door for you just in case.
Oh.
All right,
here
no,
you
it's
guys,
fine. I did
here we
it.
go.
Oh, you got it. Okay.
Oh man, because the
we
zombies
can
can actually
open the
pull you down from the ladder.
Really?
How
Yeah.
is that possible?
Yeah,
Oh,
if
when
you're
they're
climbing
at
the
bottom,
ladder,
okay.
if you're climbing the ladder and they will just.
Oh yeah, they hit you. You just fall.
Sakura keeps winning pants. It's like she doesn't have enough.
It's okay if you don't wear pants at home, but don't forget them when you go to school or to a restaurant.
You subscribed, it didn't show.
wait,
Probably your subs are set to.
Molotovs?
They're probably set to
Yeah.
private light. That's why.
Let's do that now.
This is
Oh,
it.
what? Okay.
Okay, guys, they're coming in. They're coming from the shutter down there. Did somebody pick up the key? Somebody did. Let's go.
Oh no, there's no key here.
There's no key there? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, the kid's downstairs. In the room where the shotgun is.
We don't believe you, Sakura. We don't believe you. We want to see pictures.
We don't need it. We don't need the key. We just need to take care of the crows.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bother with the room now. I'm just gonna start kicking this gate down and start going through.
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yo, why does he kick? I feel like your leg
My
weight is
character has hacks.
Okay.
Ooh, he just knifed a crow in the air. That is genius.
Do it again.
Alright, we're all together.
Once I kicked a crow in midair.
Oh boy.
Okay, this is where the game comes tough. Because we have the bugs now. After we leave. Oh. Give me this.
Oh yeah, they're on the street right now, aren't they?
Yeah.
On the first part.
I hate bugs. Where's the disinfect?
Alright,
Where's the
who's
bug
gonna
spray?
jump first?
Actually, we shouldn't
I'll
skip
jump.
the cutscenes now because the cutscenes are with the insects now. Who wants to go first?
Oh yeah, it'll be new cutscenes now.
Yeah, let's not skip the cutscenes now.
Yeah, I'm going. Oh. Someone just run.
Help me! Help me, please!
Rip to Vloggy.
Watch out for the crow! No! Oh my goodness! She took a dive. The crow took a dive. Oh, did you see that again? Okay, come on, guys, come on. I can help you out. Somebody jump.
Okay, you go.
There's the sub light. There you go. Come on. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up.
Go, Waddy Dog.
Thank you.
Somebody go next.
Alright, let's
Thank
do
you for
it.
subscribing, Light.
Please help.
We want to play with you next time. Today we're a full party. I mean, we're assembling teams here of Outbreakers. There was a time when I couldn't find people to play with. Now we're having a lot of people now.
Oh my god, cheer.
Cheers, boss.
2 times. 2 times in a row.
Yeah, it's too much timing.
Alright.
Yeah, that's when you're like at the at the edge you hit circle and
That's true, Distant. That's true. Uh-oh.
and it's
Watch out, the zombie. Why does this door, we have to reopen the door every single time?
I don't know.
We can't go through when the zombie comes out.
That sucks.
Yeah, I know. I was like,
I wish
Right.
the load times would be gone too.
Well, I mean, the load times are not that bad. On the PS2, they were much slower.
But,
Alright, let's do the whole thing again where we push the cars. I think it's gonna get harder now. I have to push the cars with the insects.
oh yeah.
No.
Let's not skip the cutscenes. Let's enjoy this. Hey, True! We were just talking about you. Welcome.
Hey, True, welcome.
Hello.
Here it comes. Here it
I'm trying to
comes.
save Cheer, but
You
I
start
think I'm gonna die.
Cheer,
I think
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
be.
alive. The whole city's
Yeah.
a war zone. We
Hey,
need all the
welcome,
help
Drew.
we can get.
Come on, True. We miss you. We've been saying how much we miss playing with you.
Go.
Yeah. Yeah, I miss using you as bait.
Mental note: never play decisions with Cheer. Let's go. Oh, there they are! Ew! Ew! Ew!
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do
Cheer!
this.
Oh no!
I can't see.
Why
Oh
they
no,
look like
Cheer!
this?
You're dead.
Well, Vloggy, I hope they hit you and not me.
Sorry, Cheer. There's
Okay,
no
we got it.
fire
I think no, we don't got
Get
it.
out.
No, I'm still alive.
Okay, make it out.
No, what are you doing?
No.
You good?
No, well, I'm crawling. I can't get out
We're
the door.
good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
We're not good. We're not good.
Okay.
I'm locked in. I'm locked.
Alright.
I'm on poison. I'm poisoned. God dang it.
I'm
Yeah.
poisoned too.
Yeah, I'm crawling.
No!
The door.
What the heck? Why is he crawling?
Help me!
No! What's going on?
Help me, please. I'm at.
Oh wait, I'm bleeding.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I can't get out. I'm stuck inside.
I think it's gonna be who just survives.
No! Not again!
Wait, where's the Molotovs? Hold on.
Oh,
I had to re-equip it.
Man.
I'm pushing the cars while bleeding.
Okay, I think I did. Dead.
Vloggy, back in the deer before I...
Oh my god. Alright, I'll
Okay, I
help
got
push.
I think it's done.
Sorry, Cheer, but
The thing is, because I'm limping, I'm slow and I cannot dodge them easily.
Well, since I died first.
Oh, he got them! Wow, he shot them nicely. Wow,
I died
man.
first, so that means I'm gonna have to make it a video.
Sugar butt. Sugar butt. Remember sugar butt? Oh man, sugar butt.
Distant, did you see Gala Morgan?
Okay.
Is no longer a community manager.
What is really? I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, she posted on Twitter, like for the marathon.
When did she post it? I didn't see that.
No!
Oh no! Sorry, I can't help. I'm trying to help.
No! Vloggy!
What?
Oh, I was going straight for that.
Sorry, oh no! Not again! Not again! This sucks.
Oh, I died. Nope, I'm good. I'm getting up. Slowly but surely.
This freaking poison is killing me.
Oh,
This is
I'm
not
on
good.
that board,
We're not gonna do this.
No, I'm bleeding.
Who said?
I'm not bleeding, I'm just poisoned.
Yeah, right on that
Oh,
door.
and I'm on red, I'm on danger. That door needs to open.
Can
That
you
door
get
needs
me
to
up or
open.
something?
Yeah, well, click on spamming it.
It's okay, I'm coming right to you.
no.
Okay, run!
So tomorrow, today for me, I'm gonna buy some chilies and make a video.
Alright, can you get that last one?
Nice one.
Good to go here.
There's more coming in. There's more coming. I need healage. I need blue herb. Where'd you guys go?
Yep, I'm poisoned now too.
My gun is empty. I'm gonna kick them.
Oh no, oh no.
I'm poisoned. I think.
Oh no!
I died. Nope, I'm up. Give me block. Thank you.
Let's have each other's back every single time, cause
If I
I'm
reload,
poisoned, so I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I think
Wait, this is a. I just want to know. This is a wooden door. How is
this helping? My question is this helping the kicking? Whoa!
I don't think so.
ready the moment we get this door open and I gotta use a lighter?
Oh my goodness, I'm so dead. Oh no way! Oh man, somebody needs to take care of the puzzles here, cause
Alright,
I'm limping. I'm useless right now. I'm on danger. I'm on.
I don't know what my health is, I just got jumped.
Hey, listen, you should go now.
I was on caution, I think, but...
That's a fuel tank.
No,
Take the gas.
you can't
Use
even
it to burn
see
these
it.
bastards.
I can
Do
see
it
it.
now.
Do it now! I cannot do any of this, guys. I'm gonna have to leave it up to you because I'm limping. I think I'm gonna die first.
I'll try to get
And if I fall, somebody should help me up.
Or someone's got the lighter or no?
I do.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so we're good then, right? Or
Well, I mean, I'm gonna have to keep running. Well, this is the destination.
Oh.
Oh, look at us, all of us limping. Where's Jay?
Cheers, dead.
Oh, Jay died.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Arisok abandoned me.
Oh, I'm sure he didn't.
It was like, screw shit, I'm going home.
I'm almost there. I'm almost at the tank. I did it! Yes! Oh my goodness!
Hey, Anna. Hey.
Hey, Anna, welcome.
Oh my
We skip
goodness.
This part?
Yeah, but the next part we don't skip because it's really satisfying.
Oh yeah, we'll see the...
So that
Okay, we
means
made it
I'm
this far. We'll make it. We'll do it.
I've never made it this far. Come on, you just do the lighter thing now. Come on. Ah, yes!
go.
Who did this?
Well, I was able to finish it once as Lone Wolf.
I've never
very
done
hard.
this. Was never able to do this.
That was very lucky that day.
This is very satisfying.
You keep saying that.
Yes, because I could watch this all day.
It's so creepy. I hate bugs so much. I can't.
All right.
I
Oh,
could think
oh,
that-
oh! This way. Quickly.
We're all in danger. Safe to say.
I'm poisoned. That's all I know.
I'm bleeding.
All right.
I might be poisoned too. Who knows?
We can skip this.
All right.
I just know I'm poisoned. Because Cause I'm a survivor.
I'm a survivor.
I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna
Oh,
stop.
that song.
Literally, I'm not gonna stop.
I can't believe we made it this far. I mean, we're all limping, we're all poisoned, we're all in danger. But wow, this is really surviving. This is true surviving.
Yo, move out of the way.
Everybody's going that way. Everybody's going that way. I'm gonna go this way then.
I'm getting the herb, sorry. Whatever's down here is mine.
No, that's not fair. You
So I'm
can
taking.
run.
That's
I
why I
can't.
took. That's why I took the other route. Everybody's going
There's a
there.
blue herb. Can I have it?
I'm poisoned though too.
Well, you have more
I'll
health
carry
than
you.
me.
I'll carry you.
Alright.
I'll figure it out.
There's no blue
Save
over
that
here.
blue herb for yourself. I'm gonna die right here.
No, there should be one up here too on the street.
Vloggy's again.
It was on the other ones.
I should have picked one up.
All right, I know where there's another blue one actually, so I'm gonna go for it.
I'll give you the blue herb here. I
Oh.
think. Oh wait.
See, it was easy. Oh, it's not easy, Light. I'm dying. Look at me.
Alright. At least I'm not gonna die. We know for sure I won't die. Because I get hit.
Wait, where are you now?
I'm going up the ladder now.
Alright, it looks like Vloggy took all that. Okay.
Yes, I'm sorry. I need it. I need it. Sorry.
Everyone's evil.
Sorry. If I would save you guys some,
It really
but
comes out like the survival instincts will say.
yeah, I can't. I mean, listen. If I'm starving to death and there's only one apple, I'm gonna eat it.
Are you gonna give me the core? Can you give me the core, please?
No, I'm assuming we can't split it. I mean,
Well, that's not
You
the
can
hardest
split
part.
it, just bash
Wait,
it
you're
on the
gonna take
ground.
the
no. I'm just saying if it's a video game, like I don't know, you can't. You know, if it can't be split. No, no.
I'm gonna
no.
outrun you.
No, please! Come on! No! Come on, man! Come on, dude!
It's okay, guys. I'm just in the back, you know.
I'll carry you. Like,
limping. Okay, I don't need a man's help.
look at this.
He took my herbage!
Struggling.
He took my herbage!
I got a herb. Ha!
Well, sit to your right, Vloggy.
Move out of the way.
Oh, come on, help me!
Why did you guys go for the herb that's like right in front of the, like right in front of the, what's it called?
I think there's a blue next to the truck. I'm not sure.
Are the cutscenes for here the same?
This
Yeah,
is
it's the
Red
same.
Yeah,
City
this
Police
is
Department. Please try to stay
I don't
calm.
think we need this.
Vehicles are standing by to commence evacuation.
Yeah.
We need
The hardest
everyone
part,
here as
you
quickly
have
as
passed
possible.
the hardest part. I was left to, you know, the explosive.
We'll see. We'll see.
Then.
Ow.
GG.
Yeah,
Can't believe we
I
made
need
it
to
this
open the
far.
stairs so I can see what you're doing.
Side street.
Oh, man. So, Cheer died first. He's gonna have to eat the hot chili
Yeah.
now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna
No, go
buy
away. I call that first aid.
Oh, I came up here for nothing then.
Yeah, you came up for the shotgun. Oh,
No,
wait,
I
you
don't
came
want the shotgun. I don't want the shotgun.
Wait.
Please help!
The stream's running the cutscene for the.
Isn't there another herb?
Yeah, I'm going for it. I'm gonna see if it's there.
Yeah, there's a note next to the stairs.
I could have swore it was blue though.
Yeah, there's a blue one over here.
Alright, do you really want this first aid? I feel bad. You're poisoned too. Okay.
Wait, do you want a handgun?
Wait, you have a red
I'm
and
gonna
blue.
combine it now. We're gonna be okay. 1, 2.
Wait,
I'm
Where's
fine.
my shotgun? Wait.
I'm fine
I
again.
didn't
Not
see a
in my
shotgun.
memory.
I didn't see a shotgun. I tried to pick him up, but
I think I accidentally didn't pick it up.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, there's an herb. I think that's a blue. Yeah.
What? You can do another end for
Wait.
the scenario. What? There's a second ending for the scenario. What? What? Are you trolling?
Okay, never mind. There's no one.
Yeah, the other end is more easy. What?
There's another ending.
I have no
Never heard
idea.
of that.
Is there a different ending? According to Light, there is. Light seems to know.
I
Alright,
never heard
Google.
of that.
I'm not aware of that.
Yeah, me neither. I'll have to look it up because I'm curious now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually looking up now.
Oh,
After the cutscene, go and speak to the police officer. All right, let's do that. Let's do that. All right, so this is the cutscene playing. And now it
Vloggy,
goes.
something wrong with your stream? Or is it just me?
No, nobody's complaining. I got Sakura, I got
it's,
Light.
It's lagging for me at least.
Anybody else having an issue?
I don't know. I'm watching. I'm watching your stream.
I'm just gonna refresh it. Oh,
Eric, what's taking so long? Hurry
okay,
up!
we're good. I'm good. I just need to.
Trying!
Yeah, I'm watching from my perspective.
Hurry! Hurry!
I love watching your. You're streaming this as well, yes, Miss?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
On YouTube.
And
Alright.
Twitch.
Oh, nice. I want to check it out afterwards. Let's go speak to the police officer again. Come over here. Let's see what
Oh, back
happens.
there?
Yeah, let's see what happens. Apparently, it's easier this way. Let's see. Let's see what happens.
Yo,
Let's...
give me that gun.
Police officer.
Yeah.
Give me that gun.
I was gonna give it to you earlier, but I had no idea.
What do I have?
Will you get in the car again? Oh, look, it gives you the option. Will you get in the car again? And it says yes or no. Yes. There must
Do
be
it.
other survivors. Guys, over here.
Like, we don't want to help anybody else. Please.
The door's tightly shut.
Oh, okay, so we don't have to finish it then?
It looks like it. Let's see what happens if we go through
Watch
here.
it blows up.
Alright, we're coming.
Whoa.
Let's speak to him again. There we go. Oh, it's finished.
Oh,
No, I feel like I've seen this one.
I've never seen this before.
I think when my sister played this
everything
game,
started to go wrong from then.
she got this one.
No.
I think this is the
Maybe
one
we
she
just
knew
didn't
about.
realize things
I
had
never
been
knew
going
about
wrong
this
for a
one.
long
No, I didn't know either, so thank you, Light. That's awesome.
City in search
Oh,
of
thanks.
We finished this one very hard, guys. That's a proud moment, alright?
3 out of 4 of us.
just give up.
Yeah. Yes, only the tough
see.
ones. Only the tough ones,
Yeah,
I
but-
mean.
actual ending.
Well, but hey, I didn't die on easy.
True.
No, it's
That's
true.
true.
It's true. It's true. Oh, look at all those
Oh,
points we didn't
okay.
get.
Cheered.
Rank B
by-
this time. I got a rank B.
Oh, I got a rank A.
You see, something. You must have done something. Because I was on poison for so long, I think.
Well, at least I died on very hard, unlike someone. Who died on easy.
It was the crows. I was trying to be a lone wolf. Alright, so now what's next? Guys, which scenario would you like to go for next? I think since
Go
we're
for the second one.
I think since we're for yeah, we could go for the second one. Let's go on easy though. And we're not gonna do
Yeah.
all of the difficulties again.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my god.
I think we should do normal though. I think we're good, right? Or no?
Alright, let's do it on
The
normal. Okay.
hospital one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now the next one is
Yeah, we must
the next
even
one is
survive.
freezing point, the one in the Umbrella Labs. I missed through an outbreak as well. I missed through an outbreak, but his PC is not good. You know, it's a crappy PC. You know, he needs to get a good one. Oh man, PC Master Race. So,
Yeah. So it's gonna be the same password, right?
yeah, I'm gonna do the same password again.
Alright. Oh god. Drew's getting angry.
Below freezing point, and this time I'm gonna wear a hat. All right, this is it's ready, and the room is called.
I'm gonna try playing as Jim. I'm gonna see if I can survive.
My computer feels PS2 is beneath it. And your computer can't handle PS2. It's just.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm-
All right,
I'm gonna
3
be
out of
there.
4. We're missing one person.
All right.
I'm coming.
Last person to join is a Teletubby.
Yeah, this would be much easier on PC, especially with the password.
How does he know the password? How does he know the password? What did I do? How does he know?
Everybody can see it. 'Cause
No,
everyone can
I
see it.
know. No, how does he know?
Yo, he's psychic.
Because I'm streaming too, and I got it going.
No.
Oh yeah, because
That's why. Well, I mean, we're all in. GG, Light. Your boss.
well, at least I'm not streaming, so you can blame me for doing the password.
Oh man.
I think it's good that the OBS decided not to work for me.
Oh man, that was funny.
Oh, I don't like
that's-
her. I remember this.
Yeah, she has the attitude of a spoiled brat. Listen to her.
Isn't she friends with Yoko? Isn't that it?
No, she's not friends with her.
No, like that's
They
the
work together.
storyline or something. Like they like knew each other or something.
Yeah, they know
Yeah,
each
they
other.
know
Yeah, I
each
think
other.
she was her mentor or something. I don't know.
Dang, I should have played Yoko.
We're gonna get Yoko now in the game anyway.
Oh yeah, true.
She turns
true.
into a zombie, I think.
Oh, that makes me sad.
If she's
Ooh,
an
look at my
NPC.
character. He reminds me of Wolverine. I am Wolverine. What's up?
I don't know what
bub?
to do, so.
There's a pipe here. I can give you the pipe. There's a pipe over here. Yes, I see the pipe.
There's 2 changes to go to the back. Okay. I don't
Oh
want to go in
no,
the back.
oh no, I want Vloggy's pipe.
You can have my pipe.
I just need your pipe, I have my knife.
What's wrong with this thing?
Yeah, smack it so hard that it doesn't even work anymore.
I don't know. Leon managed to make it work.
That's what I do when my keyboard stops working. I just start banging it, and then it starts working. I'm like,
Yeah, that's why I have a baseball bat next to my PC.
I wonder what Yoko looked like with long hair.
I don't know.
I can imagine her.
Because I know in the first scenario.
You can have the
he's
pipe
cutting
then.
it off.
No, I just need it.
What the heck did you just
What happened
do?
to Jim? Because he plays dead.
Yeah,
I
but
love
when
that
you
special
yeah,
mode.
but when
I
you
love
play
that.
when you play dead, your virus meter goes up faster, huh?
Yes, if you hold it down, yeah, it will.
Yeah, it's useless then. It's a useless.
Who just shot at me?
This lady.
Yo, does this not remind you of anything?
I didn't expect you to return.
Oh, yeah,
Of
that-
what?
After your little
Yeah.
incident,
With
I
Ada?
assumed that you went
Oh, it's true. Yeah.
under a rock like the
Yeah, with
little
the net.
child that you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, she shoots at the ground, yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Aren't
Ada
they
does.
at the place anyway?
Wait. Are you after
Yeah,
this
it's
too?
the same place.
Yoko, you little lifesaver. Hey, Dada's here. Da da
I
da.
understand what you're talking
Da
about.
da da.
Don't play the innocent little girl with me. You can't fool me. You could
Wait, is
never
Yoko
fool
not
me.
talking? Or.
No, she'll talk.
But maybe we can work something
she's
out.
talking.
Dodo.
Give me your ID card.
Yo, like the bird.
So Yoko works with Umbrella?
Yoko,
She was a student.
lifesaver.
I don't know how to feel
I'm
about
so
that.
glad we had this chance to catch up.
Why is she not speaking?
She
I
has-
thought she spoke.
She has like amnesia or something? Or
Have
I
a
don't
nice
know.
night.
She's speaking to me
What's left of
on
it.
my end.
Maybe
didn't
I'm not
notice.
noticing it.
Yeah, maybe I didn't
Maybe-
notice either. Yeah, maybe I didn't notice either, but I didn't get to see her speak.
Because I tell her lips move, but I didn't.
Yeah, everybody
maybe
does
I
that.
just couldn't distinguish the voices.
Yeah,
Anyway,
everybody
I'm just happy I'm
does
wearing a
well.
hat. That's all I care about, my hat. There's
Yo,
another
you can
pipe
have
over here.
Jim's hat if you want.
My character looks like Wolverine. What's up?
I like
bub?
your hat, and I'm not worried. Wait, oh, another pipe.
Now, I love this part. Some of us will see the actual elevator tilt a little bit going down. Not everybody's gonna see it. Some of us will.
yeah.
Some of us won't. Let's see if I get to see it.
I like that we get separated and we have to...
Yeah, I like that
Oh
too.
wait, I gotta get the codes out. I forgot the code.
Oh, the codes, yes.
I remember one of... No, that's the hospital I have in my head.
Wait, wait, what's code?
There's at least one of the codes for the door to get to register your fingerprint. You need to
Oh
Oh.
yeah. Oh yeah. You know, I want one of us to get caught by the moth.
Alright, so
fun.
now we're all separated. Maybe we can share each other's. I'm on 6F. It looks like F6F. I don't know. If you press triangle, guys, you can see where you are.
oh.
Yeah, I'm on
Sixth F.
B7.
6F as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're on my
I'm
same
in
floor
B7.
then.
Yeah, I'm in the chemical room.
I'm on B67.
Ah, B67. All right. Okay. No, never mind. We're not on the same floor.
Alright, I'm gonna get one of the components for V-Jolt, I think. Oh
Nice.
wait, Cheer, you got the other one then.
Yeah, I have the other one. And that's...
I'm near a computer. Tell me I don't need a passcode.
Yeah, you need a passcode.
Oh, I got the wrench. Nice.
There are various warnings.
Okay.
Cheer, I'll meet you by
Light actually shared the password.
Does anybody know what the passcode is?
It's in chat. Light shared something with us.
I need B6F.
B5F computer. He gave
What
us
is
the
that?
password in chat.
Somebody just came in the room.
Ah, it's you. You are on the same floor as I am.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Please help!
Okay.
You can
All right.
where-
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back real soon. Just
Cheer,
hang
go
in
by
there.
the plant. I'll meet up with you.
Okay.
Passcode these nuts.
I'll have the other-
Shutter
you
codes.
have the-
They're in
you
chat.
have the, chemical, right?
Yeah,
Light is giving
yeah,
us the
I'm in
passcodes.
Yeah, I'm in the chemical room.
Chemical room.
Yeah, the so fast. Yeah, you know,
Oh,
on B7. Yeah, I'm going to the... What do you call it? The plant.
okay.
Okay, I'm in the dock.
Okay, I'll meet up with you.
So now I got the wrench, and I'm gonna get the valve handle real quick. So
Oh, is there a zombie by me? Yeah, there is.
Wait, so Cheer, oh, I thought you were in a different room.
No, I'm in the dock with Yoko. She's a zombie. Can I
Oh.
kill her?
Crap. So is for B 6, is that I'm with the zombie. I don't have a weapon.
I'm gonna open the actual thing in the middle. So we will link the floors.
Okay. I'm
So-
coming to that center area.
Yes, I'm going into the center area right now. I'm about to open it with the valve handle just now.
Wait.
There's an herb here. Alright, I'll just come
Help me,
here.
please!
Wait, so I have to go to the dock, right?
Please help!
Where the plant
Yeah,
is?
I'm doing it right now. I'm gonna do it right now. Hold on.
Someone want to input the code for this?
I don't even know if it's necessary, honestly.
It's a block for something.
Yeah, the passcodes are in my chat anyway, because somebody, Light just posted them.
Oh, he
Oh,
said it's for B5. I'll put it in.
what is this? Is this a spray?
7.
I'll take it. I don't need the wrench anymore, I think.
Suspicion.
Whoa, 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 back off, sucker!
Okay. See, there's 2 chemical rooms on B7, so I wasn't...
I went down the ladder. Monokuma, just follow me down there.
Okay.
Yeah, I already have the third one, the number 3.
Oh, yeah,
Can be
O3.
Are you
Yeah,
guys
or-
together? Cheer and Ari talk. Are you guys together?
No.
No.
No, we'll meet at the dock.
Crap.
Okay, the computer room has been unlocked.
Alright.
I guess
I don't know
I'll
if there's anything else I unlock, right?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. I found the yellow chemical. Does anybody need the yellow chemical?
No. It's not the yellow chemical's a weapon, I think.
Oh, okay.
You
What's
throw
that?
those.
I'm in the center area now.
Vloggy, I'm going towards the center area.
I'll wait for you here.
Because there's another chemical we need, I think. And it's down...
I think there's a few zombies with me. Can someone at least come help and
I'm coming.
I think we
them?
I think we have to go down. Wait,
Oh crap, there's like 2 of them.
Go down the ladder.
well, I have one of the chemicals. Do I come to the middle
Yeah,
one?
there's 2 chemicals. O3 was in... What, Cheer, you were in the room with the alarm?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm coming.
Did anyone open the shelf in one of the chemicals?
Oh, go down the ladder. Go down the ladder over here.
I put it
We
in the
don't
bathroom.
need the shutter codes though.
Whoa!
I thought we needed a 1 shutter code.
That's why I'm trying to input. I haven't done it yet. There's a zombie hit me.
Yeah, we're good
I
here.
was trying to do it.
We're good here if
with
you
the
wanna.
zombie.
Come down.
Oh, you don't want the shutter open then?
I don't think we need it for now.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna die here.
Oh, what the?
You don't need the codes if you have Yoko and the key card. Yeah, but we don't have, so whatever. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. We'll see
I'm
how
not
this
gonna
goes.
die over here. Not
All right,
today.
so Aritok should meet us here.
Alright, I'm not the one
I'm
going
trying to-
back.
I'm trying to find the chemical because it's not in
Is
this.
anybody...
Which chemical?
I think
Okay.
it's 7 or 17. It's 17, I think.
I think you combine those.
Yeah, you have to combine them, but you have 3, right? So
Okay, I'm on the floor.
This is the floor where we're on the same floor, are we? Let's see.
I'll try to put. This is already done.
Yeah, I already have the number 3.
Let's take this door. Let's see where this leads.
Son of a.
Poop?
Biscuit.
Cupcakes?
Cupcakes.
Okay,
Oh my good lord.
well, I'm gonna need some help.
Ooh, red button.
Because I'm on the floor right now.
If the key card is at the turntable. The turntable is
Oh, you guys are coming in the room now.
yeah.
Wait, what are you?
okay.
What are
I'm
you?
trying to.
So this is
I
where
already
you.
I did enter the passcode. It didn't. I swear I had it right. 9741, right?
The passcode changes. So we
Yeah, I
are.
read it. I read it
Which
on the
one are you
computer.
doing?
I read it on the computer. It was 9741.
Okay, I'm gonna die near the dock.
Don't die. So if you put the codes in these. All right, there you go. You did it. It worked.
I must have hit the wrong button. Ugh.
I did it.
I got the item now.
stupid
I got the
X.
chemical.
The stupid X and O buttons. Why are they different?
So what do you do? Do you combine it with the yellow one or something?
Where's Cheer?
No, Cheer has the other one.
All right.
Vloggy,
What floor are you in, Cheer?
B7.
B7.
Near the dock.
Do you
Yeah,
need,
B7.
do
Near
you
the
need
dock.
yellow?
No.
Oh.
Look,
No, we don't
Vloggy,
need the yellow now.
Okay,
Let's
well,
get
I
out of
have
here.
one.
Vloggy,
Yo,
I need the cure.
I need to find. Did you turn zombie?
Yep.
Oh no, I got the cure. Don't worry, I got the cure for a zombie.
Alright, Jim, you go first.
It's called a bullet to the head.
It's got bullets to the head. Oh, watch out. So we need to find out where Cheer is. I mean, I don't even know where Cheer.
He's by
Yeah,
plant
yeah, I'm
plant
near-
43, whatever.
Yeah, I'm near the dock.
The dock. What dock?
Yeah, the dock.
Follow me. Follow me.
Yeah, I'm following you. I'm following you.
I'm
Let
near
her go.
the-
Let
you
her
know
go.
where the-
Don't
the-
kiss
the
her.
plant- Yeah.
Just hurt a little bit.
Oh, this way, B7F. Oh,
Thanks for-
you are on the same floor
Yeah,
as I was.
Yeah, you see me in the hallway.
And there's an extra gun I think down here if you need it, but
Well, I mean, we can take Cheer's gun now.
oh, that's true. So, oh shoot! Ah!
There he is. There he is.
He's gonna kill us.
Oh yeah, I have the number 3.
Yeah, I got the cure for you right here. I got the cure
got
for
it,
you right
okay.
here. Look, 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 look. Stay there, stay there.
Yeah,
One,
give me
two.
the cure.
Oh. There you
I
go.
just heard the bullet. Oh.
Yeah, rip.
Okay.
Now, where's your stuff? David. You have... There's the chemical. There you go. Swap with...
Alright.
Alright. I'm mixing the chemicals real quick. Combine.
Well, at least I did something. I mean,
There we go. We can go.
Why do I hear a zombie? Where you at?
Alright, so, where's Miss Monokuma?
Oh no.
Where are you? I'm looking for you.
I'm in the one room.
Do you need help?
No, I should be good.
Alright, time for the awkward scene. Check out this
I
awkward
grabbed
scene.
something.
Wait,
I'm in,
Jolt.
I'm in the chemical disposal.
You don't need to be there now. You don't need to be there. We're
Oh, I
done.
grabbed whatever.
Watch out for this awkward scene.
Ew.
Oh man.
Plant.
You don't have to kill the butterfly? I think we do.
no, you don't have to.
Butterfly.
Just someone could get. Just one person might get a. They might take you away.
Yeah, I think it can carry you.
Yeah, it does scare you.
I only think it does it for one person, though, I think.
Oh, Sakura. Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. That's what I meant. That's why I said it's awkward. That's why I said
Why's
it's
everybody
awkward.
dead?
Wait for a minute.
Yeah, let's check it out, Sakura.
See, if we don't get the fingerprint registered, then we can't get the blowtorch.
Yeah, we need to do that for sure.
But did we put the code into... Oh, we'll check it out, I guess.
Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll see.
We'll see if
Let's
the
go.
shutter's open or not. I can't remember.
Why'd she go through it like that? Didn't it go all the way up?
We need that card.
Oh, I think you need the valve too.
No, we don't need the valve anymore. We're done with the valve now.
No, for the ladder.
We used it already. We just used it.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm not actually watching anything, so I don't know where you guys are.
Something else I have to fix.
sorry, Cheer.
I know what it is. At least, you know, I did something before I died. I didn't die for nothing.
That's true.
It's true. He got the chemical for us, so. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Light. Yeah. I know that.
Oh my god, that
so-
camera.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where anyone's
This
at.
is
Wait,
not
is
where
this
we need
the-
to be. No, this is not
Oh,
where we
this
need to be.
Oh, it's upstairs.
Yeah, exactly. Because this is the floor I was. This is the floor I was in. This. So me
Are
and
we
Chu
going
were.
all the way?
Yeah, just go up the ladder again. Go up the ladder
Okay.
again.
I forgot about this extra floor in Outbreak.
Well, at least I think you were the only one who was able to defeat the tyrant without the vaccine. Or it talks.
Yeah, this is where we need to go.
Yeah, you were the only one I know. That's why I was
Oh
able to defeat the
no.
tyrant.
Is this like really linked up to Resident Evil 2 right now? Cause like, you know.
Yeah, this is the
horror.
Resident Evil 2 labs now.
I hope
Yeah,
he
this-
never unfreeze.
Oh no.
Oh, a zombie's coming in. Bye, have a great time.
I found 2 special items so far.
Nice.
Hey, I want to defraud that man. What is that on the floor? No, go back!
I don't know where you are.
I'm all the way upstairs.
Oh yeah, she's near the hunters.
Ah, crap.
You guys think I'm gonna see Claire or Leon?
No, you're not gonna see.
Oh no, you just
Don't make me sad.
But I love that the area is gonna be very familiar here. All right, we
Sherry?
don't.
Sherry!
Sherry.
Where are you? Don't run away. We got...
I think I'm the one of the few people that love Sherry nearly too. She's like my
Need a
favorite.
card reader.
Yeah, I think we're doomed here. I don't think we can do anything here. I think
You can't open the shutter? No?
I don't
Yeah,
know. I'm
we
gonna check
could,
real
but
quick.
you know, I tried doing that earlier.
Yeah, I need the key cards. I need the key card. So the key card is at the turntable. We have to go back
Oh.
and go up the ladder.
Okay.
Unless Miss Monokuma's up there, since you kept going up. Are you next to the turntable?
Oh, so
Yeah.
the shutter was up then, okay.
I just pulled up the
Oh
shutter.
no,
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
Go back. You have to go back. Oh no, you were going the right way.
Who?
You have to go back to the Miss Monokuma.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you have to go to the bridge where you put the fuse in.
What the heck? He's not dead yet? Oh my god.
Where you know the frozen hunter was.
All right, let's go. I need to get
that
this real
herb.
quick. Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
I have 2 healing stuff if anyone needs it.
Oh.
If you need the herb, I can give you the herb if you want.
I have a herb and a first aid. I have I have a mixed herb.
Do you need the herb? Alright, talk.
I don't think you need the chemicals, Miss Monokuma.
Go!
The
Go!
Yeah,
This?
the chemicals. The 2 chemicals you have. You don't need them.
oh my god, that thing scared the crap out of me.
What? The moth?
Yeah. I was just thinking, what is that sound?
I don't think it'll grab you until the door is unlocked, because it won't lock you in there, I don't think, right? Or,
Let's see. So we need to
You know
go
what I mean?
here.
because it takes you...
Yeah, you don't need that anymore.
Hey, Jerry, you here?
It keeps
Okay,
pausing. me.
Okay, go to the right hall. Okay, you're going the right way. I think.
Oh crap! Don't you dare poison me! Alright, I'm not poisoned. Oof. Alright, I'm almost at the turntable. I'm gonna go grab the key real quick.
Oh, she's already there.
Okay, did you grab the key?
No, it's loading.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm gonna be there in a
Oh
sec.
no! Go down. Go down. Go down. Come to the camera.
Hey, SB. Hey.
Somebody wanna? I have 2 herbs. I pushed it.
Okay, did you grab the card key? Yes, you did. Okay,
Okay, good.
I'm gonna combine this with this. Alright, do you wanna give me the key card and I'll go do the whole thing, or you wanna go together?
Hold on. I just wanna see what's in here.
Nah, it doesn't work. It doesn't open. It's frozen solid.
I must move the tray. You know what? Oh. Okay. Since they're in 2 separate places, you take the key.
I'll take the key and I know where I need to go with it, so I'll take it.
Yeah, you
Hold
check the
on.
card key.
Alright, I got it. I got the thing.
Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
That's okay. I don't need the turntable key actually. No, I need to drop the key. I don't need the key. The card key I need.
Okay, come here. I'll request the
I want that.
Alright, I'm coming into the middle area, I guess.
There you go.
here.
Yeah, PS2 emulator, you can do it on this game online, but you need the Japanese.
There we go.
I'll take
ROM.
the okay.
So I'm gonna go use the card key. You can come with me if you want, or you can just stay here. Whatever.
I'll just look around.
Okay. Stay safe.
Of course, I have my 2 herbs. I have my 1 herb and 2. What's it called?
Stay safe from the hunters.
What?
Stay safe from the hunters. Alright, so we need to
Try
go...
to kill this thing here.
Which way did I come from? Is it this way? Yeah, it's this way.
You know what? I'll just stay here, guys. Leave you guys behind.
You have to put the codes if she's dead. I don't know. We'll see. I think she died. Yeah, I think I saw Yoko dead.
Yeah.
So we'll see. I'm gonna go now. We'll see what happens.
I have Christmas music in my head. That Christmas carol song, whatever.
Oh my god. Uh-oh.
This jeans that my character is wearing is not a very good fit. It makes his ass look big. Look.
I don't have any herbs.
It makes his ass look big.
If you wanna, you could come to the turntable and I'll give you some.
Alright, I'm coming now, because I'm about to die. I tried to fight the moth. He's coming after me. Oh no, I'm almost there.
I could have came to you instead if you want.
No, I'm already in now. Oh boy. I tried to fight off
I'll
the
come
moth.
to you.
No, I'm
there
already
you
in
are.
the
Never mind.
Yep, don't go do it.
I'll give you my
poisoned.
herb.
Alright, thanks.
I think there's a blue herb out here.
Let's see,
Shotgun,
you need
shotgun,
You
shotgun,
need a shotgun? There you go.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I wonder if I got this. I wonder if I got
Blue
this.
herb's right here.
Oh,
Oh.
this camera changed though.
I'm gonna register the fingerprints, I hope.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say wait.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm just gonna... We'll see. We'll see if I got this. We'll see. Use, come on, what the heck? Come on, dude. What the heck? What the heck? Why isn't it working?
Is Miss Monokuma?
Okay. I didn't need the card.
Are you frozen or you just
No.
waiting?
I'm
okay.
just on Discord checking something real
I
quick.
wasn't sure.
Alright, so now, yeah, I think I will need the passcode. It's just like, I don't have the passcode. So, I'm gonna go back.
I have the passcode. Oh, I have it.
It just says you don't know the passcode. Doesn't even let me attempt it.
Ring-a-ling.
I think it's... Wait, there's two... I have two here. Computer room and East SH.
Yeah, but the thing is, it doesn't even let me attempt it.
Oh.
Yeah, it just says you don't know the passcode, and it
Wait,
just turns
where are
back.
you again?
You know where I have to register the fingerprints.
Oh, I thought you got past that gate, though.
This Christmas.
Yeah, I got past...
Are you there with the blue... The blue, it has a blue keypad? Is that...
Hold on.
It
No.
wouldn't let you.
Crap.
What
this stupid
floor
jump.
are you on?
Oh no! What's going on? Ah!
No, there you go. This is why we kill it. That's why we.
I tried. He almost killed me though. I was on poison danger when I was trying to fight him off.
We should have killed it.
Fight off.
I should have
the
helped you.
moth. Get it?
Wait,
What the heck is going on? What the heck? Oh, my gun is empty. Nice. Fantastic.
Well, I'm inside the room at least now. I got the fingerprint registered,
Wait, behind me where? I don't know what you're talking about.
but I'm poisoned.
What's
now.
this? Shutter. Ah, come on, you stupid son of a biscuit.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
biscuit sounds.
Crap!
Wait, there was. No,
I'm not gonna
blood
make
on
this. I'm
here.
not gonna make this. I am gonna make it.
I'm on the other side, I think. Of.
What's that thing on the floor? It says a file. It says a file, and I.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some
Vloggy, I have my fingerprint registered
How did you register the fingerprint?
because the moth took me to the room with the fingerprint.
But
It's so weird because you were
so
in the
you
room
knew
with me.
so you knew the password then?
That's what I was trying to say. I knew it.
What?
Yeah.
Why did not let me attempt it? That's the thing.
You know what it is because you didn't read the file. I read the. Oh wait, you're. Nope. Come back.
You just went through?
Yeah, I just saw you go down there. Yeah.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Wow, that's a nice shortcut for the moth actually, with what the moth did.
Here, I'll wait for you. I guess.
Hold on. Let me just check real quick. What's this on the floor, shining thingy here?
Yeah,
There's a memo on the ground.
I think. It's that,
The password
it's
is
that
guessed.
file.
Alright, it's the same. So was this it? Was this the password guessed?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, that was it then. Alright. I'm learning. I'm still learning. Alright, let's go. So we know where we need to go next now. Watch out. Whoa, look at you.
I just had a thought.
At least we know where we need to go now.
I just had a thought.
I just had a thought.
My life is shit.
I did it. I triggered the. Did you hear him?
The what?
You didn't hear what he said, did you? No.
Alyssa, you can't say that.
What did you
He
say?
did the. My
She
life
said-
is shit.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Can you do it again?
I got bigger balls than you. Oh my
Man, I
god.
cleaned up.
Hip.
Nerd.
Did you find anything? Picked up a lot of
I found
Is-
something weird.
Really?
There's one thing I can't
Holy
remember.
crap.
Even mine
Let's just try to stay
randomly
calm.
talks.
Isn't there anything we
I'm
can
literally
use?
just pressing square for her to talk.
There's one thing I came across.
I like when Jim's freaking out, whatever he's saying. One of his lines is, "You just gotta remain calm," and then he starts freaking out.
My life is shit.
My life is shit. Listen to me. Alright.
Well, Alyssa thinks she has a bigger paws than everyone else.
Well, David only knows one thing to say.
So guys, you having fun there? You know, I'm just in the room.
You're just next to the third table, I'm assuming, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Careful of the hunters.
It's okay. I got my key ready. I got my shotgun ready.
Stay
yo.
safe.
These hunters ain't got nothing on me.
Alright, so now we're gonna do
Wait, who's got
the...
the key card? Okay.
I got the key card, yes. So I'm just gonna do this. Beep boop beep. Ah, it feels good to swipe
Which
a
is
card.
that's a difference from RE2. You don't need. There's just a button.
Yeah,
And then RE2, you need 2 fingerprints.
it's
Alright.
true. Yeah, it's true.
Alright,
Consistency in the RE universe is is iffy.
Yeah. Yeah, in Naruto it's optional.
Yeah.
Because you can only get it in the B scenario if both A scenario and B scenario do the.
So, do you want to grab the... No, you're full. I'll
get
grab
the
it. I'll
blowtorch,
grab
yeah.
it. I'll grab it, because you're full.
Well, it's just a blue herb. It's just a.
I think this
Alright.
is different
Go.
I think this is a different lab than the one in Naruto.
My gun is empty, I can't help.
'Cause
I need the
remember
gun,
in
actually.
Naruto
Why am
it
I-
has-
Here. I think I'm in danger.
Now it's easy. Yes, it is light. Yeah, it is. We're just gonna do the blowtorch thing, and we just have to dodge the hunters.
Umbrella laboratory.
You okay, dude?
I just had a thought.
You just had a
I just had a
thought.
thought.
Can I leave you guys?
You can.
I just
Is that
Yeah,
an
you
option?
try doing that. Be my guest. You try that.
Yeah, you should do it.
I'm not gonna lie, I would feel really awful if it did leave you guys.
You try do
I
that.
found something
Alright,
right
I'll freeze everything then.
Yeah, Vloggy is gonna live if he is in your place.
Yo, I would feel so bad after.
I don't know why I
Not
carried
gonna
Arya talk to that door.
Well,
That's so funny.
That's because
Do you need a healing item? You do need a healing item, dude.
Unlike some people.
Here. Here. I'm gonna do the blowtorch thing now.
Oh, you guys got this?
Of course. Watch this.
Oh, same time.
Teamwork.
Teamwork's the best work. Ooh.
I like that zombie comes to life now.
Alright.
Because he was frozen. You only see what your eyes want to see.
What?
How can life be
Never
what
that.
you want it to be? You're frozen. Let's go.
Wait, everything's still frozen.
Yep,
They don't
everything's
get
gonna
it.
frost very soon. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Let's go.
it's a time thing, I think.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Now just be careful because the hunters are about to defrost. So
But you can get up on top of the... Well, for the most part, the hunters won't come up
well,
Yeah,
yeah.
on the top part of the train there.
they never come up there. They don't come.
Well, I mean, they can. Actually, they can. It's just because we're on the far side of the room where they spawn. They cannot see us, but they actually can because. Ah! They're coming to life! Ah! Ah!
Oh, you mean if you were near the edge, they will...
Yes, they will actually climb up. Yes, they can. But that's why we stay there right away from the very beginning. So when they spawn through the room, through the door, we're on the other side of the room, so they can't see us. There we go. It's happening. It's happening.
Okay.
The moment you guys entered, it allowed me.
This reminds me of Code Veronica for some reason.
It
Well, yeah,
allows.
because it's like the scene, like when they're going to the ice place.
And oh yeah, they bust through the wall in the
Yeah, they do,
that
eh?
vehicle.
Yeah,
It
they
reminds me
do.
of Code Veronica.
Oh yeah, let's try do that now when we fight the boss. We try to use the train against the boss.
Yeah, we can do that. Yep.
Yeah, I want to see that work. I've never seen that happen. Never.
Yeah, I want to see that.
All right, let's go. So you turned the key, yes?
Yeah.
Nice.
Or at least I
All right,
put it
climb
in.
up the stairs, and let's just hang out there for 3 minutes.
No,
'Cause-
go turn the turntable thing.
Yeah. We're just gonna wait. We're just
I
gonna wait
put it
there.
in.
Just wait here now for 3 minutes because hunters are gonna start going through the door, and it gets nasty if they actually come over here.
Go now! Go now!
Go! Move it! Go now! Move it! Help me! Please!
Jim, you want to hear my secret?
There's one thing I came across.
Can you make him say, "My life is shit"?
Let's just try to stay calm.
I love how the subtitles don't actually match what they're saying.
Nothing special.
Go now! Thanks. Come on.
Oh. Ah, she's coming.
When was her secret is?
But she's pregnant now. She's pregnant.
Who?
Her. This lady. She's pregnant.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
I think her name's Monica or something, right?
Yes, her name is because Yoko calls her Monica. Hey, Nick. Hello. Welcome. Nice to see you. Use your 45. Really? Are you sure? It's empty, actually.
Now! Thank you so much. Over there! Help me! Help me, please!
Ah, it's broken. I picked up a broken shotgun. Wah, wah. That sucks.
I think it breaks when you get hit by a hunter.
Yeah, but I wasn't holding it, so I don't know.
No, I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters.
Please help!
All right, let's use the train against them, though. Let's try using the. What just happened? What did you do?
Come on.
Your character is interesting. He flipped a coin. Look at
Thank
this.
you so much. Thank Thank you.
He's trying to see what he should do.
That's my special item.
Your character
If it lands
is
on heads-
your
if
character
it
is
lands on
Two-Face.
heads in a row, my attack is like really strong.
So funny. I want to check out Not a Hero DLC. Yes, I did. It was okay. It was okay. I think it was more enjoyable. And what did you think, Ari Talk, by the way? What did you think of the DLCs?
It was fun. The only problem I had was that we never got the answer to who Lucas was working with.
Oh, the
Wait,
company.
did we
Yes,
find
the
out who
company.
The guy that everybody said was Chris's.
Yeah, it's Chris.
Yeah, it is Chris.
No, that can't be. Chris can't go
Just try to stay calm.
time travel is a thing then.
Yeah, because he does look a lot younger to me.
And
Yeah.
he looks better looking.
He looks like 10 years at least. 10 to
Isn't he
10.
like 40 something and 5?
He's up there, like 44, I think. Like mid 40s, I think.
Maybe this is all before 5? No, it can't be.
No. Just ignore the way he looks. That's just the redesign, and that's how he happens to look now. That's just it.
Wait. Isn't... I'm gonna find out what his age is.
Can you guys do this?
Let's just try to stay calm.
Can you guys do this, huh? Oh, yes, you can.
His date
here
of
we
birth
go.
is 1973.
Look at this, Miss Monokuma. She's about to give birth. Look.
Oh, I don't want to see this.
No. You're gonna love it.
So that would make him 44 right now, I guess. 44.
Oh my god, no. Oh my god.
Oh, it's cute.
Aliens.
It's cute.
Oh, how old was...
Oh, Vloggy, you're the one that did Aliens, right? You gotta see Alien
Yeah.
first and then Alien. Those two. Alien.
Yeah, I want to check them out. Yeah. So
But
I
don't-
think I found Not a Hero, the free DLC, more enjoyable than the paid DLC. To be honest with you.
Yes, I did too. Not a Hero, I would liked more. Yeah.
Zoe, I mean, I liked the story and the ending for Zoe, that she got a happy ending. But man, it was ridiculous. You punched the things.
Yeah, it was a little over the top, but
It's finally
Wait. Vloggy.
Whoa.
you guys disappeared like ghosts.
Vloggy.
Whoa.
Weird.
You never seen Aliens?
No, never. Let's go. Here it comes.
All right,
Okay,
Vloggy, you get.
you're no
first
longer
pick.
my friend. You're no longer my friend.
Ew, why does it look like that?
Hey, Vloggy, you'll really
It's a
like
G
the end,
creature.
like, the self-destruct.
It reminds me of the creature you meet in RE2.
It is. It's the same. It's the same.
Is it the same? Kind of a redesign though.
Oh no, what?
It's a little redesign. It's the G adults.
Yeah, exactly. The G adults. Yeah, that's
G
right.
adult, yeah. But it
I
is
hope it's
much
not
bigger.
near me.
It's much bigger for some reason. But I'm sure it's explained somewhere.
All right, let's go. Okay, how do you do the train thing now?
You have to come over here, Vloggy.
Hold on, I need to pick up something. I can't pick up anything. I don't have a gun. All right, so where do we go?
Either left or right side has it.
All right, let's go to your
Both
side.
sides have it. Ugh.
We have to go.
But you're gonna hit the. Yeah, you can use the train. Yeah, you go. So either left or right doesn't.
All right, I'm gonna take a side. So now what?
Confused.
Oh, there's. All right, there it is. Controls operated. Yes, here we go. Ooh, nice. Bye, have a great time. Did we get it? Did we even get it?
You hit it, I think.
You did hit it. Yeah, you did hit it. Oh, no,
Can you
have
bring?
to
Can you
move.
lure it over here again? We'll do it again.
The train will come all the way down here. We gotta get out of the way.
All right, let's try again. Come on.
Do you want to do it or?
I did it. I just did.
They won't let me.
Why isn't it working? I just did. I just
I think
operated.
it's a time. You have to wait. I think.
Ah, the turntable will move when the power is restored. It says.
Oh, maybe it's only that one. The other one doesn't work. I thought.
Are these shotguns? No, they can't.
This way, sucker. Come on, sucker. Whoa. It's a very long range, the acid that he throws. I love this area so much. Oh, it's happening!
Uh-oh.
Oh, nice!
Alright, we did it.
It was the train that did it. Hey, Philly, hello! Nice to see you. How are you? Jack didn't do well.
Finally, I can play again.
I have only time for one more scenario.
Ah, Jack, are you starting to do well with sales? I hope to God they don't go back to Chris punching boulders. I know, right, Nick? That worries me a lot. The thing is, when I saw Resident Evil 7, I was like, oh, they're back into their horror roots
I'll be
again.
right back again.
I was like, they're back into the horror roots. You're gonna go to the bathroom?
Yeah, and I only have time for one more scenario.
Yeah, me too, exactly.
Okay,
So I'm gonna take a bathroom break as well, just like you, and I'll be back and we'll decide on the next scenario. Be right back.
Okay. I'm just chill here.
I'm just gonna find out what Chris's age is at the moment. Still don't like this.
Wait, RD7 takes place in what, 2017 or 16,
Yeah.
right?
7 is 2017.
Yeah, okay. Chris was born in 1973. Oh.
So 2017 minus 1970.
And he's back.
Yeah.
Oh, he's 44.
Minus.
So, as I was saying, I was worried when RS7 came out. I was like, yes, they're back to their horror roots. But I was worried, like, I wonder how long this will last. And with the DLC, it seems that they're already heading to the action genre again.
I will say, at least Not a Hero wasn't over the top too much.
Exactly, no, it's true.
But Vloggy, you know, did you play on professional? Oh my god, I played on professional. I was trying to beat the boss for 2 hours straight. It didn't work.
I was trying to do those challenges, those timed challenges, and I didn't get far. Trying to get the Spirit Blade, but
I will say the last boss battle is really fun on professional. It's fun. It really is. I mean, it's stressful. It doesn't. I didn't beat it, but all right.
I'm changing the password again. All right.
Alright,
Which
we're
scenario are we
doing
gonna
this
go for? Are we gonna go for the Leech Man or decisions? What do you guys think?
Decision.
You wanna go decisions?
Okay.
Let's go decisions.
Wait. How about you, Mono? Which scenario you want?
I'm fine with anything. I'm fine to play.
We got a full party, so we should be able to get the.
Oh yeah.
Just knowing I don't know everything like that.
I know everything when it comes to this scenario. I think I memorized the whole thing. But I'm switching it to normal. What do you guys think? Should I go to normal or just go in easy again? It's four of us.
I think normal, because we got 4 and...
I think we can pull this off.
Well, I already know that it's coming this this scenario.
I shared the password on Discord, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So
That's right.
it's a normal. Okay.
It's a random word I made up.
Is it all in caps or?
All in caps, yes, always. Okay. And the room is called DD, by the way, for decisions.
Oh,
How smart. How smart of me. Code Veronica is still your favorite. I never finished Code Veronica. Shame of me, I called myself a Resident Evil fan.
Yeah, you should.
I got 3 people in.
What'd you get hung up on? Okay.
The hunters, yeah, right? Yeah, the poisonous hunters. Oh, 4 people in. Yes, everyone's in, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in.
Let's go.
Yeah, he's like...
Monokuma died. Are you there, Monokuma?
I told him to get the key and then get wrecked.
Yeah,
And he's like, no, I'm not gonna get wrecked. And he died.
You see, because Monokuma goes by the username Samich sometimes, I confused her for another streamer, and I messaged her like a couple of weeks ago. That was so random. There's another streamer that goes by the username Samich, and he has this Be Right Back screen, and it's so awesome, and it's so hilarious. I really want it, and I need to get in touch with him to see if he will let me have it. I'm willing to pay for it. It's so... Oh, look! It's Alfred Wesker! Hey, V4! It's Alfred Wesker.
Too much growth.
Yeah, I was literally thinking that looks like Albert.
What
Yeah.
should be important becomes overshadowed.
How are you,
No, make his
V4?
voice a little different.
Hey, welcome back, Sim.
Ridiculous!
Well, I mean,
Ridiculous.
think about it. He looks like Wesker. He's working on that
he's...
guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does look like Wesker. He just has...
I wish we could see Enrico.
Masterpiece is enough.
I'm never gonna get off that.
Albert. Albert Wesker. I'm not getting image. What? Still the
Image?
V-Base give you travel. What are you saying, Vloggy? I'm not getting image. Oh, sorry. That's right. Sorry. I forgot it switched off. I switched off when I put in the password and I forgot. Sorry about that. I'm so
Did you-
stupid.
Oh.
Who is
Sorry.
that fine-looking man?
Dear
Oh,
George,
George.
Oh, George.
I have vital information.
Okay, Monokuma, make sure you get Outbreak File too. We're gonna go for that one next time, huh?
I'm waiting at the
right.
university.
I'll
Please.
probably have it
contact
downloading
me
as I
as
go to
soon
bed.
as
Yeah, the hard part is over anyways. The fact that you managed to get it work now, it's fine. You just need to get the game now. But
Yeah,
Raccoon
the game
University.
had just,
Why
with the
there?
badge.
Yeah.
Does it matter if I get Japanese or English?
I think you
No,
need to
no,
get
you
the
have to.
Japanese. You have to get
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Japanese.
That
Okay.
Japanese one.
I'll have to download translation pack again.
No, you have it. both of them.
There's two. Yeah, there are two patches. File one.
Yeah, you have both of them.
Raccoon University.
Oh my god.
My life is great, V4. It's so perfect. My life. It's like
My life was
I'm playing video games at 3 a.m. in the morning. So doesn't get
I
any.
used to do that.
All right. So this way, guys. I know exactly what needs to be done. So if you want to follow me, I know exactly what we need to do in order. I'm gonna start from up here.
I don't know where you're at.
Just go upstairs. I'm gonna
Yeah,
grab
here we
the healage.
Oh, there's some. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm gonna take a gun.
I'm not gonna lie, I wish they either added this in Operation Raccoon City or at least like one of the other Raccoon games.
We go through
Oh, wait,
here.
are you gonna get the herbs though?
There are herbs over there if anybody wants them. Up at the top.
Vloggy, do you want to do the one room where you pull the string down? Or?
Yeah. So it needs to be two of us. Somebody pulls the thing.
Yep.
Oh,
There's
oh
everything.
dear. I think
Alright.
we need Cindy for
The
this.
zombie reminds me of the first zombie you ever meet in Resident Evil 1. What he's
It's
wearing,
true.
and he looks very
Yeah, I
bald
think-
and pale.
I think we need Cindy for this, right?
There's an herbage over there as well, guys. If you want to grab it, I'm gonna take the green door. Somebody takes the red door. Healage. I know, right?
Hey, I'm right behind you, Vloggy. I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, follow me if you want to stay safe. But somebody needs to go to the red door now.
All right, I'm
Yeah,
going to the red. I'll go to the red.
Yeah,
Go to the
Yes,
red
and
door?
and you need to pull the blue one. Pull the blue string.
All right, I'll go.
Do I need to do anything here?
No, we just need to wait for Aritok to pull the thing.
Yeah, I think we need Cindy for the piano, right?
No, not necessary. No, not necessary.
All right, I'm going to the next room now to get.
Okay,
the
no
string.
problem. Take your time. Monokuma, where are you? You okay? You safe?
Yeah, I'm like out here. I don't know where you. But
Yeah, just stick with us. We don't want you to get
Yeah.
lost.
Yeah. You can press triangle for the map.
They're in
so
the
you can
blue
know
door,
where they
right?
are.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
went in the red one.
Four. Oh, I'm in the okay blue. All right, blue.
Oh,
There we go. It went down. I got it.
okay. I got a pipe.
All right. Now, Aritok, you can also grab the. You can also grab the glasses. Grab the specs. Yes. And
Oh,
I'll meet
it's
you
in the
outside in
middle
the
room, I
hallway.
think.
Yeah, I'll meet you in the hallway.
Okay.
Right behind you, Vloggy.
RPD guy has a nice booty. His name is Kevin Ryman, and I prefer his uniform more than I prefer Leon's actually. Leon is long sleeve. Leon is long sleeve. This guy is short sleeve. I prefer short sleeve. We get to see his biceps. Look.
Wait, where are the glasses?
Get to see his biceps. Look.
Am I bleeding or am I?
Where are you?
I'm in the room with Ari Talk.
Alright,
The
well, at least you
the
together.
glasses aren't on the statue?
They're not?
I didn't see it. Hold on.
Okay, problem.
No, they're not. They must be on another statue. Alright, let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here anyway. It's not important. That's just a shortcut anyway.
There's statues downstairs, right? Maybe.
Wait. Yeah.
Would you like me to join you guys? Alright, you got this. So let's go this way then. Let's go this way.
Okay, no.
Okay, let's follow Vloggy.
Monokuma, where are you?
She's right behind us.
She's getting through.
Let's wait for her. Oh, there she is. Okay, let's go.
There's a zombie coming.
Let's do this.
I don't know where the glasses.
I don't know. If they're gone, they're gone. Or whatever. They're not a key item anyway. It's just a shortcut.
Oh. So we need the red jewel.
Alright, somebody grab the herbs over here, actually. Follow me over here. Somebody grab the herbs from here. I'm gonna be downstairs under the stairs. Just gonna go place the gems. The gem. The one gem, actually.
Wait, I think there's something in here. No, there's nothing.
I'm gonna be behind the stairs.
Don't we get chased by like a guy or something?
Not yet, no.
Oh yeah, well,
I'm gonna get chased. I'll be the one play as bait, don't worry. Alright, so we got the first one. Now, the next gem we get from here.
The clock thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This,
so
this
we'll
is
go
the
down.
room. If anybody wants
Which
to join.
I have no idea how to do that.
I know how to do it, no problem. Usually it's always the same. It's 3:25. I'm gonna take a guess and say, well, this time.
I think it changes on the difficulty.
Yeah, this time we're playing.
Yeah, I think we should.
There's a
wait
zombie.
for
Take the
a
other
bit.
side.
Oh, she's a runner. She's a runner.
She's a runner. We got a runner! Alright, I'm gonna go work on the password thingy. Kevin looks juicy. Kevin is Kevin
I want her to die.
Kevin is a
It's
juice.
Tom Cruise. It's Tom
Oh,
Cruise.
you got her? Alright.
Alright, so let's take a look at the password.
Elevator?
So it's what's the password? It's 1 0. It's 10.
Okay,
It's 10:05. It's 10:05. I hope it's 10:05 if I read it correctly. Switch on the lights.
I didn't think Miss Monokuma is with us.
I'm in the elevator room.
10:05. So that's 10.
Oh, I thought you were with Vloggy.
5.
Okay.
I don't know where anybody went.
We got it. I got the second gem. Let's meet in the main hall again.
Yeah, I'm
Under.
in the entrance.
I'm gonna go there. Let's meet there.
Yeah, I'm in the main hall.
Yeah, let's all meet there. It's not safe in the main hall. As zombies come through over there as well.
That's too long a file right now. Okay.
Yeah, no worries. I have a pipe.
I got a lighter.
Alright, this way. You got a lighter again? Interesting.
Help me! Help me, please!
Oh, hey, Blue Bomber. Hey, on Twitch. Hey, what's up?
Wait, simple lock.
Wasn't sure if Twitch was working still. I feel like.
Alright, I'm gonna go
scared.
place the gem.
Oh wait, yeah, that's right. We gotta do that.
Yeah, now we open this door and we get access. We get the password. Oh no, we still don't have the first. We need the other part of the password. When can I play with you?
I'll get it. I'll get the password.
You gonna go get the first digit?
This is not. Yeah, I'll go get it.
Alright.
I'll survive.
Alright, I'll get the rest.
I think.
You'll play with us next time, Light. Here's what we're gonna do actually, Light. I'm gonna give you my Discord. That's where we make plans. Alright, so I'll give you my Discord. I'm gonna post it in chat. Invite peoples. Copy. That's my Discord. That's where we make plans. Alright? And you can join us next time.
I think the other half is here.
No, it's in one of the other halls, right?
Oh, I see a turn memo here. I see
Sorry,
number 4.
So what's the password?
I have changed
Torn memo.
here
Oh, it's
no,
just 4. So Aritok is gonna get the rest. He's gonna get the. He's gonna get the rest. The rest of the digits.
Oh, I already have a handgun.
I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna grab a gift for Aritok.
What's the passcode for the elevator?
Exactly, that's what we're working on. I got the first digit. I got 4. But Aritok is working on the next. You can just wait for us there, actually, if you want.
Yeah.
We're soon gonna be there.
Wait, where's the elevator? How do I
They're
get
coming. I'm going. Go in the locker.
Oh,
Go in the locker.
Yeah, I can hide in the locker.
Oh my God, she's taking. It's gonna break open.
Oh,
Did you
I
get
got
the
the
password?
glasses, by the way.
Oh, did you? Alright, that's
Yeah.
helpful.
Okay, yeah, I think we're coming.
So do you have the rest of the password?
Almost. Oh shoot.
Wait,
You want I come join you?
Nope, I'm good.
Where's the elevator?
The elevator is over here. Chair, over here.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go.
I'm
Okay,
sorry,
a zombie's
there's
coming in,
zombies on
actually.
me. I'm almost there to the. It's in the where that
Pick up the
secret
zombie
passage is,
body.
right outside, I think. There's like a note here, I think. Just gotta wait for it to load.
You're right there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's safe.
I'm in the locker.
Yeah, it's safe. There's no zombie here.
Oh, these zombies ran after me. Oh. I'm bleeding now.
If you need a hand, I can come join you real quick.
Yep.
I'm coming.
Do we have the passcode?
Not yet, no.
Is it a random thing?
Because it changes, yeah, it changes. So.
I didn't know it takes so long time to pick an item.
This is a long scenario. I'm coming.
Kinda can.
Put your hands up.
I'm almost there.
These two zombies they just would not let up.
I'm almost
And
there.
now I'm probably gonna be on the ground. Now I'm on the ground.
I'm coming. I'm hoping that you're in the next door.
I'm in that last hallway.
Did you hear the door open or something?
And I'm down. I'm down.
Are you dead? No.
Wait, can we?
I'm at the end of the hallway.
Hold on, I'm coming. I hear zombies. Are you here? Oh, there you are.
Okay, Jack, I'm out of help.
Get out of here. Let's get out of here. I'll take care of them. Crap! Did you not equip the gun? Frickin', are you kidding me? Alright, I'm distracting them, I think. You okay, bud?
Dead. Almost.
Alright.
I'm coming.
Are they down? Oh, you're down again. Oh.
Give me a hand.
Okay, we're coming.
Where are you guys at?
Hold on.
Follow me. Anywhere they are.
Thank you so much.
Do you have anything to heal with?
Yeah.
I don't. No, I don't.
Here, take this. Here, take this.
I'm sorry, I failed you.
No, it's okay. Take.
Thank you.
And actually, take one of these as well. Take one of these. Take one of these as well. And use it right away. Because I'm sure your virus went up like crazy.
Oh wait, no, I used one before. What? That lady is not good. She died.
Alright, so, did you get the password or still not?
No.
Alright, no problem. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's go back. Let's backtrack.
God.
Let's backtrack.
You're in the manager room?
This is the password, actually. This is where you get the password. Over here, look.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Alright, let's go. I got the password. Let's go.
You can just go through this door down here, though, right?
No. This way. Ah, actually, you could have. Yes, that's a shortcut, actually. Yes, that door is a shortcut. Well, I mean, you just wait for me there now. I took this door.
Sorry.
It's okay. That's
So,
okay.
these zombies just keep chasing me. It's
Yeah, they can get annoying. I'm off to sleep. All right, Jack. No problem. Get some rest, buddy. We'll see you next time. I want to play with you sometime soon.
So you all have the password, right?
I got the password. I still haven't checked the file though.
I'm
coming.
Okay, I'm in the main hall. There's a zombie here.
Let's get
There's
to the elevator.
3 zombies. Let's run.
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 4284.
Yeah, there's no-
4284. 4284. The password.
4284. And what floor should we go to?
Let's start from. I don't know. I always get confused where we start from, though.
We're on 1F, though.
Let's go to B3F, I think, or B4F. Let's go to the lowest one.
Elevator is activated.
All right, I'm coming in right now.
I feel important now.
Yo,
Feel
welcome
important.
That's the passcode in.
Wait, why don't you guys get the gun? There's one right there.
Yeah, take the
What?
gun.
Yeah.
I could use a weapon.
Right
Yeah.
there.
I brought a zombie with me, guys.
Oh wait, what? What floor?
I want.
Let's
I
go
want to
B4F. B4F. Let's go B4F. Let's all
Yeah,
meet
what
on
is it?
B4F. What time is it for you? It's 3:06 a.m. right now. Yes, that's important that you use it. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. All right, I got that. The pesticide spray is very important. If anybody finds more pesticide spray, bring it with you.
Man, the
Let's
camera keeps changing.
Go. Let's go.
No.
And B4F was the right place to start with, by the way.
I need the gun. I need the gun.
Yeah. My virus meter's on like 43%.
All right, we're gonna do it. Don't worry. Now let's just avoid the spiders.
44.
Spiders? What?
Yeah, there's spiders here. Careful.
No.
Wait.
Spooders!
Spiders don't get it.
Spooder man,
Ew, they're
please!
ugly.
Wait.
Yes, they are. They're not
Did you
cute
go
and fuzzy.
Did you go to the access way?
Yeah, we're in
All
the
of the-
store.
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
Alright, I got something else for you, Aritok. Oh, you're in Brazil? Okay, so it's midnight over there. So you're 3 hours behind. I did not know that. I got something for you, Aritok. Oh, come over here. First of all, I'm gonna snag the machine gun, because I need one. I need a gun. So...
Okay,
Here, I'll give you a handgun.
Oh.
Yeah,
I
but
dropped...
only have one roll
I dropped,
left.
actually, antivirus? What is
I'm gonna
this?
take this blue herb, though.
Recovery. I dropped an antivirus on the floor if you want it.
Okay. It's
Over here.
My dog tree. That's my dog tree.
Okay. Oh. Okay. How do I get upstairs?
It's okay. There's no need to go there now. We're done. Alright, let's go.
Let's just try to stay calm.
Let's just try to stay calm. The other one goes, no shit.
Hold on. There's an herb here.
Alright, let's wait for everyone.
Oh.
Alright, let's go. Make sure that you go through the actual train. Go through the inside, because there's bees outside. So go through the thing over here to avoid the
There's
bees.
a pipe there, I think.
And there should be another machine gun in here as well.
So we need to go inside the train, right?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
you can use both ways, really. Okay, a zombie's coming.
Safer in the inside. Hold on, wait for me.
Does anybody need the first aid? Actually, I need it. I'm gonna take it.
Oh,
Sorry.
where did that pesticide spray? What?
I got one. I got a pesticide spray. If only we had two, but whatever.
No, I have one. I must have thought it was a. I thought it was an AIDS spray.
Oh, cool. All right, so the bees are doomed, really.
Wait, is there a handgun around here?
Oh, no.
What?
Is there a handgun around here?
I don't think so. No. Nice. We wrecked that zombie. Oh, another
wait,
one?
wait.
Really, dude? Let's get out of here. There's a red herb here if anybody wants it.
There's a magazine for the assault rifle here.
Let's get out of here. Guys, the moment you get out of the train, head straight for the door, opposite the exit. Just straight up. Because there's gonna be a bee. There's gonna be a bee.
Assault rifle.
Whew, I made it.
Okay, that's a big ass bug.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Alright. Now.
Oh yeah, this part. I think this is where
We need to go opposite and we need to go through the vent. Opposite. Where the zombie's coming from.
Wait, Alyssa can lockpick it, right?
Ouch!
Yeah,
We
but
need
It's okay. We need to go through here.
I went to the control room.
I'll follow you, vlogs.
Vlogs.
Oh.
Alright, I hate this part. I hate this
Okay,
part.
I'm in the control room.
I'll shoot the bees.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm still carrying the glasses, god dang it. I cannot pick up a healing item because I'm carrying the glasses.
I think this is the...
Alright, I'm gonna take care of this. Guys, go through the vent. Go through the vent, okay? On the floor.
Peppering the area, spraying it down with bullets. Oh, herbs.
Oh, there's a grenade here.
Guys, don't fall behind.
This is antivirus.
We're in the control room.
The control
What's
room.
in there? There's another room down the hall, Vloggy, by the ladder.
Yeah, but
That's
that's not a key room. We need to go to
I'm
the store.
following you.
Yeah. Oh, you need to do that puzzle because you always seem to figure it
I
out.
like that puzzle.
I wish I memorized how to do it.
I don't know. I don't even think I memorized this. I'm gifted. No, I'm joking.
Look at you, full of yourself. 3 zombies in here! 3 zombies in here!
I need to find ways, you know, to up my self-esteem a little more. So if I can push buttons in a game, that's good.
You can kill the bees stealth. How? I got the thing anyway, so. Alright, so are you behind me?
Ah, you tricked me!
Prevent, right?
Oh my lord, there was 3 zombies in there.
Yes, I know.
Oh, okay. Totally surprised me. I got hit.
Okay, so...
Seriously? Zombies coming in here?
I'll try to hold
No!
it. Shoot! Oh no!
Whoa! All 3 came through. I thought we were safe. I left the room, sorry. Can you take care of they need to leave the room. They need to leave the room.
Oh no, I only have oh no.
Well, I think we're
Just exit the room, don't worry, just exit the room.
What? I blocked that. Why is he
Come out of the room. Come out of the room.
Oh no! Jeez. I tried to open the door and it made me pick up lighter. Ugh.
It's easier to go through the hole. It's easier to go through the vent. There you go. There you go. Alright. I'm just gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in again. I'm gonna go back in. Try to keep them occupied or kill them or something. I'm gonna try to keep doing the puzzle. Actually, you know what? Maybe you should come in here and do the puzzle, and I'll keep them occupied.
Right behind you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can hold the door shut or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold the door shut. I'm holding the door. What about Cheer and Monokuma? Are they safe?
They were fighting.
Yeah, we're taking care of the zombies.
Alright.
This one's a lot harder for some reason. Oh my god, this one's harder.
Oh, I think you're gonna need this.
My talents are wasted.
I think you need this, Miss Monokuma.
She went very quiet. I think she's getting tired.
You can unblock the door.
Really? Okay. Come in.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
Are the zombies
outside.
taken care of?
Yeah,
We killed them all.
Alright, come in. You're allowed in.
Well, I'm gonna need a new weapon.
Uh-oh.
Because my pipe is about to break.
Alright. Do you wanna look it up? Do you wanna look it up real quick while I hold the door?
Hold on. Let me try.
Does anybody wanna look it up?
What are you doing?
Remember RE3?
Oh, you gotta get them all.
Yeah, all of the lights need to go on.
God.
I can look it up if you want, real quick. Let me look it up real quick.
Yeah, I'm trying to see a pattern here, but it's... Oh wait, that's good. Oh wait. Got it.
You got it? Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
I figured out the pattern.
And we're out of here.
Wait, there's a ventilation here.
Ah, that's the one we came through.
Oh.
Yeah, there's 2 ways, yeah, in the room.
No, there's another lighter.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so we go outside through the store. I unlocked it.
I just hope I found a handgun on it. So I didn't need one.
Alright,
Hey,
out.
Michael, still
Now,
there?
follow me this way.
This
Okay.
We're gonna go. Watch out, there's 2 zombies around the corner. Careful. And go
Thank you for
down,
the
and we
warning.
go up the ladder. Up the ladder we go.
Oh no, the camera changed.
Wait, so we go right?
Round the
There's
corner,
something down?
up the ladder, yes. I'll wait for you guys here.
Okay.
Assuming there's no zombies. Yeah, we're good. Somebody's
That's
coming.
alright, Michael. No problem, Michael.
I hear somebody coming. Who is that? Okay,
It's a
that's
chaotic
Alyssa.
game.
That's
Yeah,
Mark.
there we go.
And that's... Alright, this way, guys. This way.
That
And me.
pesticide will come in handy. I'll take
I
it.
think there's... Yes, I think there's another pesticide as well. What is
I got
this?
2 pesticides.
Handgun. I cannot pick it up.
Oh, I need a handgun.
Take it.
What is it?
So whenever, so guys, before you go through, alright, you guys went through anyway. Alright, just start running towards the elevator in the middle, okay? Run
Oh
to the
no, I need this part.
start running for the elevator. It's in the middle. Run, 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 and stay safe.
Oh, this part.
Yes, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Wait, did I do it wrong?
There you go. No, no, you got it right. Stay there.
Took me out.
Okay, okay. We're waiting for.
How do you talk?
Aritok, where are you?
I'm almost there. Oh wait, there's bullets here.
We're waiting for you, dude.
I'm poisoned.
Forget bullets. We're getting poisoned
I'm
here.
getting my hat. I'm getting killed.
All right, switching on. Go.
Yep.
All right, everybody equip their pesticide spray
I just have one.
and spray up.
I'll just, stay by close. By,
Yeah, this right now.
Oh, I got one.
We got him.
We got all of them again. Nice.
I'm
That is,
gonna
we're so good. We are awesome. We got the game by the nuts.
Please help! Help me! Help! Please
I think
help!
you're gonna need
Help me! Please!
this.
Thanks.
Take this.
Alyssa!
Ah, deodorant.
Oh no, there's
Oh, more! Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
Alyssa, take this. You're gonna need it.
Mark! Mark!
Oh, another one. Look at you, so efficient.
Ah,
Whoa.
Oh, we're so close.
This time they kept spawning. Last time they didn't keep spawning.
Yeah.
I know.
All right,
Hey,
we go
Having
out.
a nap.
Yeah, we're
And now where do we go? Okay, up the stairs, up the stairs. I'm gonna pick. Somebody needs to pick up the key item. Somebody needs. All right, I got it. Never mind. I got it. Just go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. If just don't pick
okay.
up. Don't pick up the key item. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay, we took the long way.
Yeah, I don't know why I took the long way. Sorry. Go up the stairs.
No, we just followed you.
Yeah. Sorry. I just wanted to pick up the item though. That's why.
I've been hit like 5 times, but
Oh!
Oh, this must be a record for me. I didn't get hit once.
I'm getting it. I'm getting the.
Okay.
All right.
I'm getting the antidote.
I think I'm dying now.
What? Don't die.
Oh, good. There's a first aid.
There's
here.
only one thing I need from this room.
There's a first aid here.
Actually,
Anyone want it?
it's not here. I think. Actually, it's not here.
Please! Help me!
I thought there was a round machine gun around here, but I was wrong. It's not here.
No.
Oh, it's here. Yes, it's here. Nothing useful. It's not here. It's not
I think
here.
it's in the water. There was some assault rifle ammo in the.
Let's get out of here. We're done here.
There was some in the train.
Really? Ammo
Yeah.
for the whatever. Okay, so
Yeah,
cutscene. This is the tyrant with the speedo.
Right, come on. The thing's too huge. These 9mm are useless. Almost
Why do you have a speedo on?
Calm down.
I think.
So you don't see his ding dong.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, why does that look like Nikolai?
Yeah, they say it is Nikolai apparently.
Something's wrong.
No, that's it.
We need to get that thing off his shoulder, by the way.
Yo, you guys need the spec ops in there. Get it?
Yep.
Yeah, we need kill.
Ooh, that looks so comfortable.
That backseat.
Oh, Sakura, that's not me.
I like how he's attached to him
I
still.
won't
Yeah.
underestimate it next time.
I won't underestimate
Must
it
be
next
going to
time.
the man. Might as well set it up.
He must give
Yo,
case.
Nikolai, you look.
He's like he reoccurs in
Operation Raccoon
Yeah.
City, yes. That's definitely him, but we don't know if it's him or not here. Okay,
Wait,
whoever's...
isn't the town supposed to
Oh, I'm
blow
poisoned,
up
I had
or
no
something?
idea. I'm poisoned, I had no idea. Don't take my... Don't take my first
You know
aid
what's
spray.
funny? I'm the only one who's fine.
Yeah.
Cheers, revenge for.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pick up the card and I'm gonna unlock the door.
Well, I was using Vloggy as my human shield.
Actually, does anybody have an extra inventory slot? Somebody pick up the card and
I
unlock
do,
the door
I
for me,
do.
please.
Yeah. Yeah, I have two.
Yeah,
Cheers.
somebody unlock the door for me, please.
What? Oh, right. Which door?
Over here. Yeah, that one.
Man. Oh, name.
Okay.
Let's
Do I need a
go.
card key?
I don't think we're gonna need it anymore. Alright, the door is open, guys. Over here.
Okay, I'm...
Wait, run.
No, door closed on me.
I hate when that happens. It's like,
Just right when I got there, I was like, nope,
right, where
not
are you?
today.
Nope. Alright, so guys, do not go through... Oh, hold on. I need some healage.
Wait.
You want me to do it, Vloggy? The electrical?
Up to you, really. I mean, I'm very familiar with the area, so I don't mind doing it myself. It's up to you.
I got it. I'm here.
Alright, so I'm gonna go for the run. But what I
I'm
need
just
to do
on
first...
caution.
But what I need to do first is I need to take a long way around, because I need to unlock the...
Okay, oh yeah, we have to stay away from that.
Well, I need to unlock the... I don't
You
know
have,
how
this,
to
you,
do this.
you have the glasses, okay.
Yeah, I got the glasses. I need to place them real quick. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this.
Okay.
Alright, you guys wait there, okay?
That's the main hall cheer.
Oh.
No! He's gonna trigger him! Why did you go through? No! Dude!
Hey, you want him to come fast, right?
Is he after you?
I don't know. I just went back in.
Oh, okay. So you didn't trigger him then. Okay.
Wait, how did
Oh,
it,
no. He jumped through the window.
Oh, so he triggered him.
Well, that's a problem.
That's
Okay.
a problem. I need to lure him with me. Alright, I'm gonna go try see if I can bring him. Hold on.
So we have to stay on the other side, right?
You stay there, don't move. You just stay there.
Stand under the
Somebody
light.
tie a chair to a chair or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Okay, he's gone.
Cheers exploring.
I'm
The,
gonna explode.
the tyrant is gone. The tyrant is gone, he's not here.
Well,
Oh my god, he's coming!
He's coming!
Okay.
Alright, get out of here. Don't stand there. Do not stand under the
Okay, you guys take care of him then, because I'm not
Wait, I
I'm not
don't know
there.
where he's at.
Got him.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
Did you get him? Pick it up, pick up the thing.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
I
on
got it.
I'm on
Alright, go.
Now, what you need to do next is head to the main hall.
Alright.
Take the elevator on the 3rd floor. Alright, we'll all meet there, okay?
I'm like pro at that now. The timing of that.
Oh yeah. I thought I was gonna get hit by that thing. Because I was really close to the tyrant.
Oh, I have a problem. I have a problem.
Where are you?
What is that?
He's here. He's here. He's after me now. Whoa! No! You son of a biscuit! Get out of here!
Oh,
All right. All right, I'm coming. Yeah, let's go to the elevator room and take the 3rd floor. Everybody go to the 3rd floor. I'll see you guys there.
Are you sure, Vloggy?
Yes, I'm fine. I just need to outrun him. That's all.
Okay.
I just went to place the glasses. That's what I did. I placed the glasses. I got rid of an item in my inventory.
Okay, 3rd floor, right?
Yes, 3rd floor. Take the elevator and go to the 3rd floor. I'll see you soon. I'm just taking a long way around. Sorry, but I had to get rid of the glasses.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
He's in here.
No.
Oh no. Oh god.
Okay, I'm in the
Where are you guys?
In the elevator room, he chased
Oh
him.
yeah, he does go in there. But once you go to the 3rd floor, you're safe.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm in the 3rd floor. Okay. Here we are. I'm gonna stay around here. Wait.
I'm coming. Almost there.
Isn't there aid spray there too, or no?
Oh, there's some herbs here.
I actually have to take those antivirus or else I'm dead.
Yeah, I keep using them. And if you need to pause the antivirus for a little bit as well, you can also use an herb or whatever. Even a blue one will slow it down. I'm almost there. I'm catching the elevator now, and I'm taking the 3rd floor. So you know what to do with the sample that you picked up, yes?
Yeah, put it in the machine.
Yep, I'm bringing mine as well. So now, we got 2 out of 3 already. We need to get the 3rd one, the hardest one to obtain.
Ugh, yeah.
Oh, the one with the...
The hunters, the gamma
Yeah,
hunters.
Cheer's gonna do it for us though.
Ooh,
Cheer's
good.
gonna get...
Oh, no.
Cheer's gonna get us the 3rd one.
Me?
Yeah, you're good. You're good at
How did
this.
you open the door with the car key?
Alright, so I'm gonna go place the thing real quick.
Oh yeah, that's right, you have the beat voice.
Yep, 2 out of 3. We need to go for the 3rd one. So we take the elevator now, and we head to B2F, is it?
Oh, that's the only way we didn't go to.
Because the way we do it now, we always avoid the shark area. Nobody gets attacked by the sharks.
Except for True.
Except for
He's the only one.
we were so noobs back then. I mean, we still are, but
No, we're not. No,
much
you're not.
better.
You're not.
Much better. Alright, so
I think between the 4 of us, I'm the noob here.
so B2F. B2F, everybody.
Oh man, I went to B4.
No, that's where we were before. No, it's okay, we'll wait for you.
I'll go back. Okay. Is there a strategy again to like, if you want me to wait for the electronic lock?
The electronic lock?
Remember?
Oh yeah. No, we have to do it like that again. We'll do it again like that. That's the only way I know. That's that's the easiest way. So we take this manhole.
Okay, this manhole?
Yeah, we go through this hole. Oh.
Help me!
Help me!
Help!
I love that help me.
I'm trying to trigger the help.
Sometimes he does it. I think he has 3 kinds of help me.
Help! Help me, please!
Help me, please!
So
Alright.
we go right or left?
This is the Resident Evil 2 area.
So which one? Right or left?
I don't know. This way. There's a door.
You didn't know, and you're the expert of this game.
I feel like I really love this game. It's one of my favorites. Okay, watch out for the zombie and go up the ladder.
Oh. Mono, are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh, come on, man! Seriously, all of us.
What? You've been really quiet.
Hey!
Like, 5 minutes. For the past 5 minutes or so.
I'm just starting to get tired.
Yeah, you're very quiet.
you know, all that Doki Doki kind of drained me.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh wait, Cheer, do you already have a knife on you? Oh wait.
Yeah, I have a small knife.
Cause that's like David's special. He can do like crazy knife moves or something.
Oh
Is he
yeah.
a ninja?
Watch out, there's a zombie.
Oh no.
That's not where we need to go, though. This is way. This is the way. This is the way we need to go.
Like,
So ideally, now we split in 2. I think we split in teams of 2. So if anybody's gonna do an errand, at least we'll have somebody watching their back.
yeah, I'm gonna do the. Yeah.
Wait, do you want me to go?
I think
Yeah,
I just made the boo-boo. I think I made the wrong turn. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through the pipe, up the pipe, and.
All right, so we don't need to be in this room right now. We don't need to be in this room because this is where it opens the key. So.
Oh, we need the key.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go back. Sorry. Ouch. Sorry, I just hit my microphone.
That herb didn't help me.
Oh, so this is gonna be the last night of the day, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And then it's sleepy time for me. So,
okay.
so we don't need to go through this door. Actually, there's a grenade launcher in here, I think. I think there's a grenade launcher in here. I'll take it.
Uh-oh.
I think there's a grenade launcher here. I'm not so sure.
Mine!
That's where she was. That's where she was. I was wondering where you are.
What's better, green and red herb, or first aid?
It's the same.
Oh, first aid.
It's the same, really.
All right, my grenade launcher.
Watch out.
Wait, I think there's another one.
Which door is it?
Watch
This
me
one?
miss all the hits.
Oh yeah.
I got confused. Which door now?
Okay, wait. Where are we going now?
Access way B. We are
Towards
right
the
now.
Gamma Hunter area.
Yeah.
I have no
Straight
idea
up.
what that is.
Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
wait.
Keep going straight. Always straight and take the yellow door.
Before you get the key, you want me to go across?
Yeah. Yes. I should wait for you to do that.
Yeah, because you don't want to trigger. Yeah.
So we just follow the yellow door, alright?
Okay.
The
Yeah.
Orange. Or yeah. Oh yeah.
So I'm in the water purifying facility. This is where we trigger the... Let me just make sure. Yes, we are in the area. So, who else is here?
Okay.
I'm by myself here. I
No,
need
right
at least
behind
another
you.
person here. Okay.
I'm right behind you.
Do you guys need a case?
A what?
No, because those ones are fake out ones.
So you want to cross the pipes?
Yeah.
No. I will do it.
You're not even
You'll do
here.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
He's on his way.
So, yeah, you can go with Ari Talk.
Oh, we'll go together. Okay.
Yeah, it's better to have a team of two on each side. And bring Monokuma with you.
Wait.
Yeah,
a sec.
just go through XSA, through the orange doors. You find your way.
Look at
kinda
you.
hope I'll see this beat
You
out.
heavy man.
It's the
Mark!
I'm cheering you on.
Mark! Mark!
Whee.
Mark! 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 Mark!
Follow the orange door and you'll be fine.
I'm cheering you on. Mark, go Mark.
I think there's burst rounds over here.
Mark!
Yeah, I'm not gonna grab them. Should I? Nah, never mind.
Okay, there you are.
Okay, I got one more
pipe.
pipe. Yep.
I thought you told me that I was going to go there.
Yeah, we're waiting for you.
Did you ever have like a random question, but this is making me think of fitness, like in school, where you had to actually do pull-ups?
Yeah?
God.
They like forced me to do pull-ups, and I couldn't do it.
Okay, we're in
I was
access.
always not good at that. Okay.
Alright, so whenever you're on that side, whenever you make it, let me know and I'll trigger
I'm
the...
on that side, but you want me? I'm not in the room yet. But...
You tell me whenever to trigger the... You can tell me whenever to trigger the...
I think we're
Alright, you can trigger it now.
I'm gonna
but
trigger them now.
Make sure no one's
Okay.
over
Oh,
water.
hey.
If you're over
Yeah.
water, get out.
Alright, don't get into the water, guys, alright? Actually, you are kind of late now. So, you need to take the door. You need to go back. Follow me. Keep me close. Follow me, alright? Don't go, no, don't come here. Don't come here, though. Don't come here. Don't need to come here. Because this is gonna happen.
Yeah, I'm staying right back here.
Yeah,
By
follow me.
that.
Follow me with the next door, I mean, where I'm gonna go. Come with me.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
They're gamma hunters. These guys can swallow you whole, so be very, very careful.
Oh,
yeah.
me then.
These guys can
Yeah,
swallow
the
you whole.
ones like the ones in Area Zero.
Yeah, exactly. No, the ones in RE0 are actually frogs, though.
Yeah, but no, they swallow in one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a one-hit kill just like those. But all right, so I'm gonna grab the key real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna save it.
Uh-oh. Where's the key? Where's the key? Where's the key? Key.
Can I shoot this from here?
Make sure you get the key this time.
I got it. I has it. All right. Who was shooting that frog? Go, 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 go. Take the door you came out of. Go, take the door you came out of. Just go, 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 go.
If you're
Well, I did say I'm gonna cover you.
Yeah,
right?
good, good. You did. You actually did. Well done. I thought it was Aritok shooting. I don't know why.
Oh no. I didn't know where.
Now we need to go back to that room.
What's wrong?
The room,
yeah.
the one with the locked door. Just go, 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 go.
Okay. Did they follow us here?
Stay close. Yes, they will follow us everywhere. So stay close to me.
Okay. I'm just gonna run. I'm gonna run.
Monokuma went very quiet. Wake up.
What?
Wake up.
I'm not
I can
following
hear you
or
snoring.
anything.
Wake up! I get.
Alright, I have a question for everybody actually. Watch out for the zombie. I have a question for everybody. Did you guys ever... Were you guys ever playing a video game and you fell asleep holding the controller whilst playing the game?
No, never.
Never. It happened to me once.
I think so.
Happened to me once.
Yeah, it did happen to me.
Playing a game and I'm thinking, whoa, I'm falling asleep while playing the game. I think it's time to call it.
Yeah, I was playing RE2 once. I was
Alright.
like running through the wall the whole time.
I'm unlocking the door right now, okay?
Oh, you are? Okay.
Okay, so I'm in the room now, on the water tank room. I'm gonna electronically
Yeah.
unlock the door you need to go through.
Oh,
now.
I thought you said, oh.
No. Oh, okay, you guys better go back actually. You don't need to be here, guys. You guys don't need to be here, sorry. Because this...
Oh yeah.
Alright,
This is
while
tough.
you do that, I'll go sleep.
Alright, come on. Water tank, yes, I unlocked it now. I just unlocked it now.
Okay.
Okay, so you know what?
Go back. Don't worry about me.
Yeah.
Just go
yeah,
safe.
what
Go safe
is
and
it
wait there,
safe
Hopefully I won't need the help. Hopefully.
Wait there.
Yeah, we're in the safe area.
Now we just wait for in that room for Ari talk. You're gonna join us into the room, yeah?
Yeah, I'm in the water tank now.
Nice.
Or, I'm loading.
Keep us posted what you're doing when you pick up the item and
Alright.
stuff.
Let's see here. Anything here for me?
Well, you need to join us in the room because you need to fill it up with this machine.
Alright, I am getting up to the top office now. I'll bring one of the, vials.
Hey.
Uh-oh. I'm in a dilemma. Okay, I guess I'll take that. Sealed reagent.
Come on, dance with me, everybody. Disco, good. Disco, good.
Move!
Alright,
Move.
let's pray.
Exactly, we're
Let's pray
moving.
that the Gamma Hunters don't get me.
Here! Thank you
Oh no,
very
he's
much.
right behind me. No! He swallowed me.
No!
No! I got out. Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Do you need help? Do you want me to join you?
No. Oh my god. I was in the mouth and I got
Yeah,
out.
make sure you heal, because if you're in danger, he will swallow you. Make sure you're always fine.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
come on, join us.
Alright.
Come on, join us.
Just do it!
Perfect
Vloggy,
line. What's going on?
Vlog, you'll have to watch that back.
That's with us.
Show me your stuff.
You're back. Alright, awesome.
You'll have to watch that back after. Okay. That was so close, yeah.
I will watch it, yeah.
That was crazy. I was like, oh my god, I'm dead.
Okay, so.
Alright, P-base sealed. Got
Yeah,
it.
let's take a shot.
Nice,
right?
let's go. So the way out is just basically backtrack. This is backtrack
This way.
now.
He's right.
We got this.
I think we left someone behind.
No.
Oh my god, that was scary.
Alright, watch out for the zombie and out. Whoa, help me! Alright, let's go.
It definitely looked like a...
Ooh, I'm on red caution. Time to heal.
So this way, yeah.
So this
through the-
door, over here. Watch out. Oh,
Come on!
oh, are you okay? You need help? You need healing?
I'm bleeding.
Oh, just bleeding. Alright, I'll cover your back. Keep walking.
Through the orange door. Orange door. Get the door here.
Here, you want a first aid?
No, I'll have to
Are
get
you
out
good?
first. Yeah.
Yeah, let's get to safe area.
Yeah, this is the door we need to take.
It's still not safe in this next area because they come.
East Waterway. Is it? I don't know. I forgot.
Or, wait.
Yeah, we have to get back to the elevator to 3rd floor.
Oh,
Wait.
careful.
Wait, I want that greener because.
Wait,
Alright.
so do we go to access B?
Go to the elevator, elevator.
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea what it is that.
Because we have the third ingredient, so we can go to the third floor, I think. Ouch.
What? How did that happen?
He swiped me.
But I was right below you.
Okay.
I know.
There you
I
go.
think because you were in the animation, you were like in an animation to get off the ladder.
Okay.
It like you have immunity for like against when you. Wait, where's Vloggy?
Yeah, I just stood back behind us a bit, waiting for cheer.
Oh, I'm not behind you.
Alright, here's
Yeah.
the ladder.
So we got the ladder. We're gonna go through the spooder area once again.
No, we don't have spiders. No. It goes to.
Actually, if you have pesticide, I think we can. I threw it away though. I threw away mine. Oh, no spiders actually. No. No. I got confused. All right, so take the elevator, third floor once again.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some ammo.
Pesticide there, I think.
Third floor, everybody. Third floor. Last ingredient. Ari Talk has it.
Yep. Unless I put it down accidentally. I have it. Okay. My OCD. I need, or like my. I need to make sure.
Okay.
Ah.
What's your virus percentage like?
Ooh, it's probably close to 60. I'll have to check.
I haven't checked mine in a
I think
while.
mine's is pretty high as well.
Yeah, let's do a virus
Let's-
check, everyone.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
just let's do a virus check, everybody. Yeah.
56.
53.
Mine's is 47.
Yeah, 42.
Well, we're all good.
Okay, I'm
We're
the
good.
worst,
we're,
but
we're
not-
about to heal it very soon anyway. So
Wait.
put the thing there.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
not skip the cutscene for the benefit of everyone. You
Wait,
put it
why
over
is it
here.
not
You put it
going?
over here. Where I'm standing.
Oh, it's over in the middle. The
Yeah.
Okay, there.
There we go. Yes, we're
Okay,
making it. We're making it. We're making it. But
So just remember,
the electricity dies.
we have to use a daylight and take one with us.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, last
So we
time.
need two.
Actually, we better. Actually, it's better if somebody carries an extra one as well, just in case somebody misses the shot.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna.
Let's go.
Well,
This way.
Actually,
Oh yeah,
we
we have to
can't.
go.
Well, we can't kill the turn without it.
No, I'm not gonna try to kill the tyrant. He keeps teleporting from one side to the other. It's impossible.
And this is normal, right? So it's gonna.
Yeah.
No, I mean, our attack did this once.
But it was an easy though.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
So what
but
are we doing?
Yeah, we're grabbing some ammo now.
Yeah, I need some handgun ammo.
I wish I had grenade launcher ammo.
Ooh, you mean like these?
Where?
I'm gonna take the assault driver.
You mean like the ones I have? I have 8 in mine. You guys better heal. You're all on caution.
But I only have full heals, so I don't want to.
Yeah, up to you guys.
Where's more?
Haha! Alright, let's go. Let's go. This way. Plastic area.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.
This road we meet Outburst.
My apologies for this place
Oh, I
being so.
remember this.
Look at us. All 4.
I've been monitoring your progress.
I want us all
from
4 to be in the Raccoon Police
here.
Department
I am
next time.
grateful for your assistance.
Yeah.
Daylight.
Yeah, that should be
is
fun.
it.
Yeah, next
The
time we'll do
only
out also.
resource against the T-virus. I cannot give it over to Umbrella. They're the ones responsible for the catastrophe which has befallen the city. In retrospect, that entire T project was
Is that a yawn?
disaster. Force should not be the only criterion for a weapon. It must also
You know, I
be
went to bed like at
beautiful,
8 yesterday.
unique, and godlike.
It's now like, you know, about 10 o'clock.
You will also assist.
It's almost 4 AM here.
You're going to play
Alright.
with my
At 6 AM for cheer.
Yeah, almost 6 a.m.
It's
Where's the
Nikolai.
sleep? Y'all need sleep. Yo, is that Nikolai?
Yes, he's about to make
Yeah.
murder.
Oh, that's so hot.
What's hot? Okay.
Yeah, I've been up for like, what, 48 hours now.
80?
48.
48?
Yeah. I haven't slept for Yeah, I've
Okay.
been up since I streamed the marathon.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna turn back the electricity. I'm gonna turn the electricity back on. And then I'm gonna unlock the door. Because now everything is in a rush. So, Regent Incubator is back on. You can just head to the room.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
Wait, where's the door again?
Alright, go back to the plastic area.
Yeah, the plastic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go
Okay,
heal
where did
the
you guys
virus.
go?
Back to where we came from, the plastic area over here, Because the machine is running, now we need to heal. It's gonna start generating cures.
I remember
gonna-
this part. My sister played this and she could never get past the tyrant one. Because you know,
Is it a normal
blows
run?
up.
Yes,
Heal.
silent streamer. Yes, silent streamer. It is a normal run. Welcome, by the way. It is on normal.
Alright, I'm gonna take an extra.
Yes, I'm gonna take an extra as well, actually.
Yeah, I'm just yeah.
Now get out of the way. Once.
So we need to produce at least 6. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6
It's
is
okay,
enough.
we'll get out. Alright.
I'm gonna take an extra one just in case we miss the shot. Okay, so grab a healing medicine thingy and use it.
Okay, did you?
Have you tried it very hard? No, not yet, but we will eventually.
What are we doing?
Alright, I grabbed one myself.
Like antivirus thing, here.
I think I dropped my first aid spray. I can't find it now. I don't know where I put it. I dropped my first aid spray. I don't see it.
Went across.
Oh, did I take it?
Yeah, take it.
Yeah, the daylight, yep.
Yeah, and use it. And use it. Oh, there's the spray over here.
So I'm gonna have to wait then.
We finished, we played the first scenario, Outbreak, on easy, normal and hard. We're very proud of ourselves. And now we're doing this. This is on normal though. Everybody got one? Ah, yeah, I'm gonna grab an extra one, by the way.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna grab an extra one, just in case somebody misses the shot. So everybody's healed of the virus now, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, I still need to...
So
Whatever, let's
now
go.
we have to go outside.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Follow me!
Ooh,
So
cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
Cupcakes.
Let's go, 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 go! We're gonna blow!
Where's the cupcakes?
Alright guys, now we need to keep running, everybody needs... We need to keep running and everybody needs to keep up because we're gonna get chased by the tyrant, so...
Yo, sexy boy.
Tra-la-la.
Just give him a cupcake and he'll be the best man ever, or thing.
Okay.
No, I prefer the...
There's an extra herbage if anybody wants it. Alright.
I'm the
Yeah,
only one on
I
caution, but... Wait,
Yeah, I prefer the...
Mono, I'll give you a full heal.
Yeah, I prefer the challenge from
No,
RE1.
okay.
I'll give it to you down here.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. I thought that was down. I was looking at Kevin.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
I feel like it's a good trade here.
So we'll go straight forward, right?
What? That didn't even heal me. I want my money back.
Nope, nope. No refunds.
No refunds.
Come on, this thing's
Nope.
squeezing me.
Alright, we're almost out. We're almost out.
Wait, is there any herbage?
No, what are you doing?
What? What's doing what?
She went under. Oh my god, she won't leave. Alright, there you go.
Yeah. You got stuck.
Wait, is there any health item around here?
Mark's too fat to get under the table.
I got a...
Come on, guys.
What's it called? Clock tower feel from that.
Okay, so where do we go?
I need to go into the main
Outside.
main corridor.
Outside
Yeah, we
to
need to
that
get out of the building. Guys, this way.
Oh, you opened the secret passage.
Yes, I did. That's why I took a while to show up. This way.
Wait, I didn't know where the
Cheer went the other way.
No, you went the other way.
Yeah, I'm in...
Is it?
The door next to the statue. Testing passage A.
Wait, we need to go to the entrance, right?
What? No.
No, that's the hallway? The main hall?
Not the main hall, no.
Oh, okay, near the picture. Okay, got it.
Outside where you can see the bridge. But don't even try it. It's gonna kill us.
Jump first.
There's handgun bullets here if you need them.
Nah, I'm good.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'm...
Alright, almost done. Oh my god.
Now, this way,
Where we
over
go?
here. We never met the tyrant.
It's with me.
Cheers, keeping him busy.
We're out of here. Out.
So do I get down the stairs or up?
Not that this is helpful.
Okay, down the stairs. Down I
Alright,
go.
we're out. This is where we need to hang out for the next minute or two. Ooh, grenade rounds! First come, first served.
Where? No,
First come, first served. Ooh,
Where are they?
ooh. No! Okay, GG. She got them.
And
Ooh,
I
I'm
kept
gonna
my
take.
mixed
I'm gonna
herb.
take your stuff.
Dang it.
Sorry. Good one. Is everybody out?
Let's cheer.
Where's Cheer?
Oh, I'm outside.
I don't see you, man.
Wait.
Where are you? You're not outside.
You're not out where
Yeah,
we.
Well, I'm in passage J with the tyrant.
Okay, you need to head out. You got 1 minute 40 seconds.
Yeah, you don't have much time.
Oh, I still have a lot of time.
Alright. I wanna place a bet that he doesn't make it.
Wait, there's dogs here?
What?
Where is he?
Are there dogs?
Oh.
Yes, there's dogs. Yes, there's dogs. They go through the, yes, there are dogs.
Yeah, I'm in the waiting room.
Oh, keep going then, right?
Yeah, I'm in the waiting room.
Why do they keep trying to give us the lighter?
Wait, I went to the entrance. To the main hall.
You didn't go. No, don't go to the main hall.
I'm in. So where did I
We
go?
only have a minute left, guys.
The opposite door. The opposite door went outside. Remember, we had to get a key card to get back into the building out in the.
Hey, Mark! Welcome! Welcome to the stream. You just came just in time to see Cheer die.
It's gonna blow up.
Okay, I'm in the waiting room. Where do I go?
Do we just let it go? The time?
Waiting room.
The waiting room. I don't even know where the waiting room is.
You're
Okay,
dead.
first.
The
first
waiting
floor
room.
Passage.
Is it the wait? Is
Yeah, first floor passage A.
Rip. 20 seconds left.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16,
What do you mean?
15,
What do you mean? I
14,
have 1 minute. I have 1 minute.
1
I have
minute.
1 minute. Yeah.
10,
We have
9, 8,
15 seconds.
Yeah.
7,
It's
6,
50
Are we-
seconds.
5,
Are we gonna die?
4, 3,
Fine.
2,
Cheers.
1. Happy New Year!
Bye, cheer.
Bye, Cheer.
Hey! Wait, it says I have 30 seconds.
We'll get out.
Cheers inside!
You have to
Hey,
go through the hallways that. Oh god, I don't even know how to explain it. Where the wires are.
I went
You had to go, you had to take the door. There was a statue right next to it.
Yeah, I took that.
And
I
then
went
you go
the-
down, and then you go down the ladder.
Yeah, I went there.
You go down the ladder, and then take the big door that you do when you swipe the card. The one we went through when you swipe the card.
Oh, I took the small door.
No,
Yeah, you went the opposite door. Yeah.
Yeah, but it took me 50 seconds for the explosion.
I don't know.
It lied. Did you get a you died?
Happy New Year.
Yeah, this game hates me.
This game.
Where's
Alright.
the cupcake? Where?
No cupcake for you, Cheer. Alright, now, this way, follow me guys, follow me, this way, go, go. Watch out for the beast, zigzag. Zigzag.
I'm poisoned.
Yeah, that's why you zigzag. Alright, take the door.
Marcus,
Sucker!
go.
I think this game hates me for some reason.
Alright, now then, let's wait for our talk, hold on.
I'm in the loading screen. There we go.
Alright, so,
Poisoned, but I have daylight.
ooh, look what I found. Looks like you missed them, Monokuma. They're mine.
No!
There's an aid spray back here. I think everyone
Now I
sees-
have 12 rounds.
Evil.
Oh,
How many do you have?
oh, hello, Alibaba.
Oh, there's more. I see more. Woohoo.
Where? Oh, how?
Please help! Please help me! Help! Please help! Please help me!
Mine. Go away.
I was just being nice. I let you have them actually, just so you know. Okay.
Hello, I can't pronounce your name, but hello.
Oh, his name is Alibaba.
Alibaba.
Yeah, that's what his name.
Ah, someone in chat. I thought you
Yeah,
saw something in game. Who's in the house?
Oh, no,
Yes,
no.
Mark. It's Resident Evil Talk. Say hello.
Hi.
There's Cheer. Say hello.
Hi.
And last but not least, there's Miss Monokuma. Say hello.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Alright, so this guy became a Bandersnatch now, so. Okay, guys, run! Bye, have a great time!
I hope he goes after Ari Talk.
I hope he goes after you, because you have enough rounds to deal with him now.
Why? What did I do?
What are we doing?
I don't know, trying to take him out.
No. Where'd he go?
Oh, there he is!
Wait, is there,
He teleported. There you go.
I think there's a rocket launcher there.
No.
Fucking.
Wait, he's teleporting on my screen.
At least he's not on mine, so...
Oh snap, he's really teleporting everywhere.
So far so good, it's not teleporting on my screen.
Must be a new BOW.
I don't
Is
think
he
my
tele-
stuff's hitting him. I
Is
think
he-
it's going straight through him.
Is it teleporting on your screen, Aritalk?
Yeah, a little.
He's not teleporting at all on my end.
Maybe he
There
likes
should
you.
be a rocket launcher here somewhere. I don't see it, but there should be one.
Yeah. Somewhere near the hole.
I don't know where he went, so
I think it's this way.
There he is, I see him.
I see him.
Ooh!
Ooh, he's going for vlog.
Ooh!
Red.
Okay, okay, okay. No more joking around. No more joking around.
Yeah. What's this?
No vloggy, don't bring him here.
It's in the locker. I don't see the locker though. I mean, I see the locker, but it won't
Get
open.
Down.
Oh, you have to break it to vlog it.
Locker.
Break it?
Yeah. You have to.
You kick it and stuff?
Oh my god, I can't aim for nothing.
Doesn't even acknowledge the existence.
No, it's next to the big hole.
Is this the one I'm kicking right now?
That sounds good. Sounds good, like you're doing it right.
Yes, he says yes, but it doesn't even flinch. Okay, okay, alright. I got the rocket launcher. I got the rocket launcher, guys. I got one shot though, I need to make it count.
But vlog it. It's actually really slow.
Alright guys, I'm coming. I got the superpower
How
thing.
many rockets is it?
It just has one, so I need to make it
Well,
count.
you better get it right.
Yeah, but it's very slow to aim. So you
It
should
does.
be
It does
careful.
take forever, yeah. I think he gets on one knee, I think, eh? Like he's
Oh, God.
proposing.
Yeah, you have to kneel down.
He's teleporting. Oh my god. You're a booty.
Bye, have a great time! With the rocket launcher.
dead?
Yes.
Yeah,
Dead?
Well,
Let's get out of here. He gets on one knee. I've never seen a guy in Resident Evil who gets on one knee to shoot a rocket launcher.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, RPD in the house.
GG.
GG, everybody.
Yep.
GG, fake GG.
Oh, I was gonna
Trollolol.
pretend like it was the GG.
Good guy.
GG.
Yeah, but
Catch you guys next
it's
time.
fun.
Alright, who's gonna get to the capsule?
Oh my god, there's more?
Yes.
I thought that was the credits.
I see she fell for it.
I was like, oh my god, sleep. Yes.
Yeah, well, you're almost done.
Yo, Mark. look
He's
what-
after Monokuma for some reason.
He was after me earlier, so
Alright, now, do you wanna go for the gun?
I'll go. You have
Yes, if you happen to miss the shot, I have an extra round, okay?
He's gonna be after me.
So you go do it. You go do the thing. I'll distract them and everything.
Isn't there shooting in the cutscene?
I just have to like look at his pattern. Before I shoot it, I'm gonna make
You know what? You know what?
What?
You know what? Screw this.
Got him.
Oh wow!
Nice.
Nice
Waited till
shot.
He did that move. He wouldn't teleport.
Oh, nice move.
Nice. Now it's a GG mark. Thank you though.
Oh my god, is there credits now?
Now it is. It is the real thing.
Yay!
Somebody's tired. Yeah, it's 4 AM. I should get to bed as well.
You know, it's only
Yeah.
like 10. It's literally 10 o'clock now.
10 o'clock I wake up.
Yeah, I wish I could go to bed, but
Oh, it's on
okay.
Sounds like Cheer needs a drink. You need to have a drink, Cheer. Or 6.
What
Take
for?
some whiskey
Why?
and so you can sleep.
No, I can't. Because I
Right.
have some work to do in like 1 hour.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to head to my uncle's house to help him with something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, what a beautiful ending.
I
does he have?
accidentally had my game volume way too low. Change that.
Thank you, Mark. What's that? What's that on the paper?
Your resignation.
I don't know. He had a paper with his
Resume?
name on it, and he just tore it and threw it away. Maybe it's
He probably
divorce
was- he
divorce
was probably gonna
papers.
What should
quit
I do
now.
with the rest of my
Ew, he looks so old.
I'll think about it after.
I'm already in the credits.
I skipped the credits because
You
I'm
skipped
doing the
it?
after credits now. The after
Nice.
credits scene.
Wait, did we actually beat the whole game?
Thanks,
Well,
Michael.
this is the last scenario. It's like beating the last level, basically.
No.
It's a receipt. I think it's divorce papers, Mark. I think it's divorce papers.
It's okay if it was divorce
maybe-
papers. His wife is dead.
Yeah, or maybe his wife gave him a shopping list. Like, you need to pick these up from the grocery. He's like, screw it, man. I'm not doing anything. I loved the song at the end. I love the credit song.
It's pretty epic.
I love it. It is epic, yes.
Yeah, so next time we should do file 2.
Next time we do Outbreak. Outbreak File 2, I mean, obviously.
Yeah.
Outbreak. Outbreak File 2. I cannot skip the cut. I cannot skip the... Can I skip the cutscene?
Someday I'm gonna get the audio file for PC. I'm actually working on it.
If anybody has, you know, Resident Evil 5 or 6, I don't think I have 6.
I'm currently playing 5 with True, but if you want to go on PC, we can go together if you want.
My file is glitchy for some reason.
Oh, really?
Last time I
Where
tried
is
to.
this at? This is Raccoon City?
Yeah.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. They're still studying the area.
It's a
I've never
drop
seen
down
it
story
after.
mode.
I love this so much. They had so much opportunity to open the game again.
One of the many storylines is dropped. Seriously.
There's no way people could sustain life
Cheer
there.
died. There you go.
Not humans.
But rank C.
No.
Ranks E.
Sir, there's a call for you from the head office.
Put it through.
Wait, so if I die, I don't get the rank, right?
You get a rank F.
Sorry, I lied, I get the rank D, because they now they're for dead.
I love how they set up a station. They still set up a station in Raccoon City after it got obliterated. It's amazing. I love that.
Yeah, next time, file 2.
Alright,
Next time, File 2. If you need help, Monokuma, if you need help with File 2, ask Cheer.
Alright.
I'm kidding, no, seriously.
No, in fact, so I have the infinite ammo, so...
Even me, I have the infinite ammo, but yeah.
Alright, you guys.
I bet we won't be able to
so much.
defeat. I bet we won't be able to defeat a very hard level even with infinite ammo. It says Aritok is dead here. It says on mine.
Well, I didn't.
I think
So
I was the
everyone
one who
but
shot the
you.
daylight.
It says you're dead. Rip. Anyway, thanks so much. for you guys to play with me. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, Aritalk.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Same.
Cheer. Thank you, Miss Monokuma.
Yeah, same. Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Thanks
This
to
was
everyone that
really
hung
fun.
out in chat, and thanks for everyone that subscribed. I'm gonna go to bed. It's 4 a.m. here.
Me too.
Yeah, we're both going to bed, but separately in separate beds.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a bath, maybe make a cup of coffee.
Coffee? You like sleep.
Sleep.
Well, I want to, but as I said, I have some work to do with my uncle's house. He has this problem with this water pump, so I have to go fix it.
Wait, where am I? Where is this room?
Alright, I'm off.
Alright, good night.
Have a good one, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.
Oh wait,
Yeah?
wait, I got something. I
Sorry?
got something I want to show you on Discord.
Yeah, show me on Discord afterwards. You want show me afterwards? I'm gonna end the stream now. Have a good one,
no,
guys.
no.
What?
I'm gonna post it in Mono's Discord, Monokuma's Discord. It's
Alright.
really fun.
I'll check it out.
Good night,
See
guys.
ya, guys. Good night. Take care.
Good night.
See you next time.
care.
Bye, Mark.
Happy
Bye,
to-
Light. Yes, I'll be playing File 2 next time. Bye. Have a great time. Bye. Have a great time. See ya.